and also like lack of resources also. Change the slide, Avishkar.
Yeah, sure.
So just a small update. You have 2 minutes done. So now, what's your whole project, guys? Show us the project, what you have built, rather than the whole like what we say your perspective. Show us the
Sure, sir.
project ASAP.
Avishkar, go to
Yeah.
that screenshot.
Okay, sure. So, sir, we have used this technology just for the
Technology is Angular and
for
5
the
days.
what we have used, and sorry, just a minute. How is this slide, na, Rohini?
No, that a screenshot I had at the graph representation. Go to that.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, that's it. That's here.
Yeah, this one. So this is our project structure, what we have built, the home page, and this is all the neighbor which have. So we have built a 4 login portal. One is for faculty, one is for student, one is for parents, and one is for our 21st century enthusiastic. And also we have here like upcoming events or hands-on training, and also we have one more slide here like digitalizing rural areas. So in this, when they log in as a faculty for teachers, we have one page like planning. First is planning for instructions, how they have to teach in like 21st century teacher. And then we are adding the visual representation also, like how visual representation in the sense like how creatively they can teach the students rather than the keeping in textbook and teaching.
Okay,
And
just
the next,
sorry for like interrupting. But I mean, do you have the working model somewhere? You have the working model?
Yes, sir. We have created our website in which we have deployed the chatbot, and the students can directly chat with teachers as well
Show
as.
us, right? Show us that, right? Show us. What's the current status of the project? Show us that.
Okay, sir. Rohini, can you explain, sir?
the project is it with Bharat. Sir, can you just give me like 1 minute?
Hmm. Okay, so you are already 4 minutes done. Only 1 minute is remaining. So yeah. So in the meantime, Yashwant, would you like to just call? I mean, all the other teams who are not live, can you just have one round of calling with our people and get them all live on Zoom for the final judging? I mean, like for the initial round of judging.
Sir, what
Yes,
we have implemented is we have integrated the chatbot, which is not in Google Classroom. If we see while submitting the assignments, as well as the student can lively interact with the teacher and solve the doubts, as we all know, now the coding part is done in India. Like from 6th standard, the government have started the coding. So we have actually implemented some of the fancy games like building the calculator and BMI through coding, and the teacher will teach the students, and hence it will be more of a interactive kind of session instead of just root learning. So it will actually help the students to know the concept through practical.
Okay. Just got it, boss. I just want to see the whole project, where the project is. So based
Yes,
on that, we can have a discussion. See, guys, I'll be very frank. Any hackathon you're going, you need to show the project rather than
Yes,
the
sir.
talk. Okay. So
Sir,
project along with the talk is what we need. So show us the project, and we will then go ahead.
okay. Sir, I guess means the project is with Bharat, and he's not currently in the meeting. So can we again come back in 2 minutes and show after the
Okay.
presentation of one team is done?
Yes, we will give you an opportunity later on, like maybe once
I
all.
think he joined now.
Okay, he joined, so now please share this
Okay.
and get it done.
Yeah, just a minute. I will stop my sharing.
Yeah. Where is Bharat? Bharat, are you there?
Bharat,
Oh shit.
He's on mute, I guess. Let me just.
that's just 1 minute. Bharat, just share the screen. I mean, like,
Yes, sir. I say share it.
yes. Okay, guys. So the next team is going to be like Oath to Code. This is the team which is going to come up next. Oath to code. Which team member? Okay. Yep. So this is what, okay, tech. Okay. This is a very static page, guys. I mean, where is your that what we say, your chatbot? At least show us that. What you have used for the chatbot? Which platform?
Bharat, are you there?
Yes, sir. Chatbot, we used API built in website API.
Okay, which API? Show us that. I mean, like turn on the chat. Show us that in action.
This
Okay, okay, collect.chat. Okay, fine, fine. Got it. So this is what your whole project is?
yes, sir.
Okay, so if at all you guys are allowed to the final round, what you want to pitch to the judges?
Yes, sir. We need to show them the whole process, how it will be working as a login. If there we have integrated four options like the login page as a student, faculty, and then the 21st enthusiast as well as the parent. If the student logins, he will be able to access the notes and live chat with teacher. Also, we have trying to implement the community page, which we got inspiration from actually Let's Upgrade, and we have implemented that too. And every feature which Google Classroom was lacking, we tried to implement that. And while the teacher logins, he will be able to record the sessions, and he will be able to guide the students if he is getting the doubt in assignments. And if the parent logins, parent will be able to see the progress of the child, as well as he should be able to chat with the teacher, and he should be able to pay the fees. And most interesting we have built is the 21st enthusiast. In that page, we have provided some course to rural sections, and we have actually implemented some webinars which will be upcoming webinars. This you can see on the page, as well as the 21st enthusiast can actually learn the coding with the help of the fun games we have created. And that our main purpose is, instead of rote learning, you should be able to learn with the help of practical, like project based learning. Our main page is this, and you can see we have actually implemented quiz website. And here just teacher needs to change the questions, and the score will get automatically updated.
Okay, fine. Okay. So that's it, guys. Anything else which you that you have already overshot 5 minutes of time, so it is all.
Yeah, we will be in our future plans are we will be implementing this platform with the help of AI and augmented reality. We actually want to create a platform through which there will students actually need not to go to school. Instead, they can sit at home in their comfort zone and learn everything. And that's how we will be progressing and compete. And our main purpose is to create a coding platform and in the students, and make India win at ICPC.
Okay, okay. That's it. Thank you. Thank you, team. Good job. Next team, please. Next team is TechOut. We will be making them the co-host. And TechOut, please raise your hand in the Zoom, please.
Sir, should we leave the meeting or stay in the meeting?
You can just be here and you can listen to what other people are.
Sure,
like.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tejas, right? So yes, Tejas, what is that? I mean, your project is, you can now please unmute yourself directly. Tejas?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. What is your project? Would you like to present right now?
So can we just have in 5 minutes? We have having some connectivity issues. Just 5 minutes. If any other team can just come in between.
Okay, guys. So now I'm calling out the names. This is as per the circulation which we have done. So the people who are not presenting right now, they will be disqualified out of this. So it's a kind of like small kind information which we are providing to all the people. So I'm calling out the names. If they are in this particular Zoom, please let us know. If they are not there, then we would be having no other option than disqualifying them. Just 1 minute. Let me share you all the names. Accordingly, please align yourself. This was scheduled way before. So I hope that you guys can see my screen. So first of all, Sarthak Gupta, are you there here? Are you there here, Sarthak Gupta? Sarthak Gupta, are you there? Like from Let's Upgrade Agricultures. Yashwan, please keep a track of this. Cyphers is the second person. I mean, like second team. Cyphers, Siddharth, Adike. Are you guys there here? Then Code Favors. Code Favors is Parth Patel. Parth Patel, are you there? So Parth Patel. And then afterwards, ATN5, yours. Okay, Umesh. Umesh, are you there? Acha, I think Umesh is ready here. So let us just go and unmute Umesh. Just 1 minute, Umesh. Let me unmute you. Okay, Tejas, we will take you after this, Umesh. Umesh, you can unmute yourself and
Yeah,
present.
sir. Sir, currently I don't have a desktop. Can I present it in my mobile phone?
Yes, you can present it in your mobile.
Shall I have to like show my video call or?
It just show your project. I mean, it would be like you
Yeah,
have
okay, sir.
just 5 minutes to get it done. So please.
Can we know the team name, sir? Umesh?
Yeah, 80N5UR3, sir.
Okay.
Actually, this is my first Zoom meeting, sir. So that's why I'm struggling.
Yep. Okay, it's fine. Just go ahead and.
Office. Sir, after pressing, yeah, okay, sir. Share screen. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, yes, it is visible.
Yeah, then. Good morning to all and sir present here. A brief introduction about me. I'm Umesh and I'm from Chennai, pursuing final year in Tech University, which is located in Chennai. And my idea is that a small scale business person cannot afford data from Yellow Pages or other business sites. So he will be depending on other free data source which are available on the internet. The first place where the small business dealers will go to is Google Maps. From there, they can get all the data which they want about the stores. For example, if he is a vegetable seller and he want to develop his business, he needs what are the department store available in a particular area or under a district, which if you take under a district, it will be around thousands of shops like that. So he cannot handle that much of data and copy paste it, or he can, if he wants the phone number alone, he cannot do that alone. Like it will be much more data. It will take more time for him. He doesn't want to involve that much time on such a process.
Okay,
so
fine.
what I've done is this web scraper will go to Google Maps, and if the user specifies, let me show you. If the user specifies the search parameter, what he wants to search, it will search it in the Google Maps, and it will give the result, and the program itself will go to next page, and it will just take out the results and everything, whatever it finds. And after the end, if it cannot click the button, the program recursively quits itself and gets out of the program loop. After that, it will present it inside a notepad. So user can, the seller can get the data from here, address and whatever what he likes to. and he can do his macro, or he can convert it to Excel and he can present it there, or he can get to only the phone numbers and call them instead, like that.
Okay, fine. So
And
okay, Umesh, anything else you have to present right now, or like would you like to show us the actual demo? So now this is a screen. We want to see the demo working.
It's in desktop, sir. That's why I can't show without webcam. I asked it because that the desktop doesn't have a webcam.
Webcam is not required, right? You can share the screen on your website, like of your desktop, right?
Sir, can I get some 5 minutes or so? I can turn on the desktop and show you the demo.
Yes, you can do that thing. So yep, we will provide you that time, maybe a little.
And it even works without any IDE or dependencies like that, sir. It comes with the dependencies, so no requirement of IDE. It will just run on command prompt itself.
So what are the packages you have used for this?
Selenium and Paperclips.
Okay. So for example, on which all websites this thing works? Only on Google Maps, right?
Yeah, currently it works tested only on Google Maps, and it works with every search query, sir. Like inside Google Maps, you can search whatever you want, restaurants near me, and it will give all the restaurants and takes the data into a text file.
Okay, so how are you making that query field? I mean, how are you making that query field? So for example, near me is different, the distance one is totally different, and these all like how can I travel from a place A to place B? Like Google prompts up at least 3-4 different things. So
I'm using Selenium for this thing, and Selenium doesn't do much. Like I will get to only this div tag where the information is provided by the Google. I will only capture that div tag. Wait, let me show you the div tag. Tag is, oh, sir, I will show you the demo itself, I think, because the tag will be div, and it's a HTML tag, and it will gather the data from the tag, which will be that left side box, sir, like
okay,
from
fine.
verify for
right
total
now,
thing.
So you're searching all the shops, right? But Google Maps can give me distance from 2 different places, and like Google Maps can give me n number of things. Okay, so it can be a distance, it can be like what we say, maybe emergency calls and all. So it can give me all the fire stations numbers and all. So how are you going to differentiate? I mean, is my particular user is only asking about this thing, or is my, if for example, my basic question is, you're only inputting here a department store at this particular pin code, okay?
Yes,
but
sir.
From that, if I do that, Kanyakumari to Kashmir, okay, Kanyakumari to Kashmir, it will give you like 2-3 road channels, okay? So Kanyakumari to Kashmir, if you will just go and input, so it will give you like distances, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
At that time, our whole logic for doing this thing would fade away. What do you think?
Yes, sir. Because I currently haven't tested what you have said, sir. I haven't had the idea that the user will specify that much of thing. I checked only for the district names and all, like Chennai, Kanyakumari, alone itself. I haven't checked with both parameters given.
Okay, check that thing once and let us see. Okay, so nice project, like what we say, Umesh. So one small thing for the final, like what we say for the final submission, which you have to do is, have you recorded the video?
Yeah, sir. I will provide a YouTube link for you.
Okay, fine, take care. So only one thing, like when you have made this whole thing, this whole project, when you made this?
Like 2 days just now, sir. Hackathon, when Hackathon was started.
So how you got this idea?
We are running a business, sir, like department store, and we want to like we are a seller, and we want to search for department stores.
Okay.
Even my uncle approached me like that.
Good.
And yeah, it's based on a real world scenario.
Okay, chalo, fine. Thank you. So your 5 minutes are done, and now the next team we will just go ahead with. So who's the next team who want to like Tejas, right? Tejas Sudhir. Okay, then you can stop sharing this, Umesh. So Tejas, are you already?
Yes.
Yeah. Please you go and share. And the other team members, just 1 minute. Umesh is done. So REE, Sanchit Gupta. Sanchit Gupta is here. Sanchit Gupta, if you are here, just please mention it in the chat right away. Or else, hey, just please mention out all the teams who are here in the chat, okay? So that it would be good for us to see who all are, what is present here.
Good afternoon, sir. So is the screen visible?
Yes, yes, the screen is totally visible.
Okay.
Just 1 minute, Tejas.
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay. So currently, all the students who are live right now, all the participants who are live right now. So, would you like to just go ahead and please mention your team names who are here, who are attending this Zoom call? And hey, guys, I need your teams who are attending this Zoom call. All the 50 people, which team you belongs to? So the data pilots team is there. 80 and 5, you are 3 is there. Next, other teammates, I mean others are not there. Warriors is present, okay. Tech Panda is present, okay. So CPYS, Embedded Beast, Sunrise is present, okay, fine, okay. So we are having Codex is present, okay, fine, okay. So we have now different teams here. So the still variables after Tejas, you are the people who are going to go ahead. Tech Pandas is here, right? Tech Panda is here, right? Tech Panda. So Tech Panda, just please be ready after this. Okay, Tech Panda, be ready after this demonstration. Okay, now you can go ahead, Tejas.
Okay, good morning. Good afternoon, sir. Our team name is Ode to Code, and we have built an app named LearnZilla. So, which is so we have selected theme 21st century education. So, at the earlier mentor session, you have given us two main themes, that the colors will be orange and white. So, we have made like that. In our model, we have basically two feature, which is teacher's model and the student model. So firstly, the teacher model has a ability to create class. So if you want to just create class, we just need to give the section for which section, for subject standard, and the subject, let's say it is let's upgrade. So, and when I click on the create class, so a class name let's upgrade is created. Currently it has no student in it. The teacher will be adding the corresponding student, so no fake entries will be added to that. And then suppose we go into a particular class, so there we have functionalities like add assignments, add students, and add marks to the corresponding class. So let's say just create a new assignment. So we have assignment name, again let's say let's upgrade assign, and just we can give the drive link. For the time being, I am just giving a sample link. And when say add assignment, so the corresponding assignment will be added. And if we want to update the marks, so we can eventually do that. And means suppose the student ID is 5, Tejas 1 is having a student ID 5. So just go here, add 5, and the marks obtained, let's say 18, let's say 17, and let the total marks be 20. And when just okay,
so this is a full what is this whole platform all about, Tejas?
So it is a, sir, we tried to deploy a website where the teacher just can just sign in and have all the functionalities like upload marks, upload attendance, upload the corresponding assignments, and the student on the other hand can view it. So I will just show the student detail. So here is the student section where he can see all his assignments added. We have added a progress bar where we have used React charts to show his corresponding progress. That is, in first test he have got 18 marks. In second, it is all taken from API, which is at the backend. In attendance, we are showing for how many days he is present. Since he is present on both the days, it is coming full since he is present on both days. In students, he can view his teammates which are in that particular class.
Okay.
And in marks, he can view the corresponding marks added on that particular date. Again, moving on to teacher module. Okay. So yeah, this is the teacher module where the teacher can upload and mark attendance. This is the means suppose if you want to add now 17 marks, we just need to say update and just add marks of the class. So if the marks will be correspondingly added, so you can see here that we have correspondingly added the let's upgrade assignment having 17 out of 20 marks, and the date corresponding to today's date is clearly shown here. Then we have a teacher's profile where the teachers all the details will be stored, and we can change or update the password of teacher. Suppose the original, this is now I update it. So when I click on update password, so it is showing password successfully updated. So the teacher's password is updated. Then we have a section of timetable where the teacher have all the timetable which she is having.
Okay.
And on the
so, right now, my basic question is: your 3 minutes
Yeah.
are supposed to be finished in just 10 seconds. Okay.
Yeah.
Right now, how many members are there in a team?
So 4 members.
4 members are there in a team. Okay, when you have made this whole project, when you started making this project?
Sir, on the just after your mentoring session which happened, and you give a particular theme to it, when you just give
Okay.
us the modification. Yeah.
Fine. So the whole front end is made out of?
React and Material UI.
Okay,
At the front end, by backing it at Django at the back end.
Okay, so fine. So now this is what. Prasad, are you having any questions for this?
So can we like manage batches? Like if we have suppose one social science, let's consider social science, okay?
Yeah.
And we have multiple batches in that. So like, can we do that thing, like managing 2 batches of a particular same thing?
Yeah, means we can create n number of classes what we want to add, and then we can do it.
Okay, and one more thing,
Okay.
I just remember one more thing that yesterday I've asked you for like having LetsUpgrade as a parameter.
Yeah, I will show that one.
Yep, can you show me that?
Yeah. So if I just log out from the teachers module, and so just when I
So where is your other team members? Where are your other
so
team?
they are present. They are in the meeting. So this is, so you can see Hackathon and LetsUpgrade. We have basically added it as a JSON.
Okay.
What you have asked for.
Yep. Okay. So good work, team. So now this is a full. I think it's automatically responsive. It's being responsive to.
Yes, sir. It is responsive.
Yeah. Okay. So okay. So what's the end goal of like? What's the business model regarding it? Do you have any?
So while selecting the theme, we just researched about the education platform after the post-COVID period, and we found that a handful of private institutions or a large institutions were having access to this online education. So we thought of building a platform, basically specially targeted to not say rural areas, but below 10 standard students. So these institutions or the schools of 10 standard don't have particular their own website where they can interact with students. So what from my personal experience, they were sharing assignments through WhatsApp, mails, but that was not a very integrated platform because it get lost at some point of time. So we basically wish to create a platform where the teacher and the student have one to go type, means they just can come see their progress, see their attendance, have their assignments, and just all things at one place. We wish to integrate all things at one place.
Okay. So now that's it, guys. Thanks a lot for being into this. So now let's move on to the next team. That is Tech Pandas. Tech Pandas, are you there? Tech Pandas, just let us unmute you. Tech Pandas, who is Tech Pandas? Sarthak, right? Tech Pandas, just one minute. Tech Pandas is Shivanjali. I remember Shivanjali is not there. Yes. Okay. Okay, Sarthak. Okay, so you are a team member of that is Sarthak Das. So Sarthak, you are the host right now, co-host right now. Just please unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So who else is your team member? Would you like to just make them join in here?
So actually, they have some authorization issue or something. None of them are able to join. So only I was there.
Okay, so you guys were not able to join in?
Yes, sir. They are trying. They are trying from that time. So can you give me a minute? I'll ask them again to join.
Ask them join from other mobile phone or other device or like other thing. So that's a
sure, sir. Okay, sir.
Yep. So any other team? Okay, the team after Tech Pandas is the still variables. Okay, now I'll just name VP coders. Are you there? VP coders. Are you guys there here? VP coders. Okay, VP coders is there. Then after that, the still variables. I think you guys are here. The still variables. Satyajit Narayana. Yes. So now let me just go ahead and unmute Satyajit. Satyajit, make co-host. Yep. So now Satyajit, you can unmute yourself and you can turn on your video and you can start presenting your whole.
Yeah, hello, good afternoon, sir.
Yep. Good afternoon.
Actually, sir, can I have 2 minutes? Means I just want to connect. Actually, the thing is not in my system. It is in the Kaggle notebook. We had an ML project on healthcare. So that thing is not in my system. I have that thing in one of my co-partners
Yes,
system.
I mean, you all know that very well that we are actually running out of time and we
Yeah,
want
yeah,
always to be like, not only, I mean, you, Satyajit, I'm telling to everyone, we are not going to wait. As soon as we are telling you to unmute and start presenting, start presenting. And once it is done, it is done, finish, kitam. Don't have to go back behind it. Okay. So it will be like very, very difficult for us also to manage it. And by 7 p.m., your final judging will start. So by that time, we need final top 5 teams. So for top 5 teams to have, so we need to this thing to be completed fastly. Okay, so I hope that everyone would cooperate with us.
yeah,
And,
sir.
okay, so Satyajit, okay, apart from Satyajit, now I'll just take up the next Psychodas. Psychodas, are you there? Psychodas, Psychodas, are you there? Are you there in here? Yes or no? Okay, Yashwant, please start disqualifying all the people who are like not in the Zoom call. Okay, so let us start that thing. Fine, okay. So start.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So Tech Panda, one more member joined, so we both are planning. We'll go ahead with the presentation.
Yes, yes, yes. Please go ahead. What's the team member name?
Shubham Prakash.
Shubham, SHU. Shubham. Shubham only, right? I mean in green color.
Yeah, he has joined using Shubham. So
Yes.
can I start, sir?
Yes, yes, you can start.
So good afternoon, everyone. So I'll share the screen. So can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Yeah. So we selected the topic 21st century education.
Yep.
So the main idea of our project was like, now you can see, so we are online classes are going on in various apps like Google Meet and Zoom, but there are a lot of technical issues also. So we want to incorporate everything at one step. Like we can just make an app where we can, teachers can also log in and students can also log in. It's not only for teaching, we can also even conduct exams, so that we don't have to go for like Google Forms or anything else, any third party to use it. And secondly, we also are planning to implement security like anti-tab or anti-cheat, because when it comes to online exams, some people, they just change the slides so that they can directly copy from that. So we are trying to avoid it. And the implementation is simple for the front end. So can I go to the project, or you want me to?
Go to the project. I mean, this is.
I'll show you the screenshots. Yes,
this
sir.
Yes, yes. This is for the like what we say our pages. Our the
So
final.
this is the main home page which you are seeing here, and we have made it using HTML, CSS, the front end part. And then we have one more page of about us, where about the co-founders and what is the main motto of this entire website. This is basically a web. And the third one is the login form, where not only students, any teachers, everyone can log in. Apart from this, we have also kept a page of frequently asked questions, where if you face any issue, we can just go and log in there.
Okay, fine. So can you just show me this whole thing in working somewhere?
Yeah, sure, sir. Just give me a minute.
Which you guys are having.
Sure. Just a second, sir.
And all of you guys, I mean, when you're coming to present up, right, just focus on the actual, what we say, code which you have built for the demonstration purpose, okay? Show it
Yes,
for
sir.
the demonstration and it
So,
would be, yep.
so, okay. So this is basically our home page. So can you see the screen, sir?
Yes, I can see your screen,
Yeah.
but it's not opening, right?
So it is open. Like, yeah, this is our main home page, and here we have about all the team members.
We cannot see the screen, I guess. You have done, I guess, that's the window share.
Windows share.
Yeah.
So just make sure the whole screen is shared, right? You're not able to see this.
Just a second, sir. Yeah.
Okay, just in the meantime, Yashwant, would you like to please share the like live what we say team listings, who all are joining in and who's the next person, next team? If they are not
So,
joining, they'll disqualify very
so
soon.
now is it fine, sir?
This, yes, yes, now it's fine.
Yeah, so this is our about page, and once we click on login, the login page appears. Here we can just enroll, and then that's it. That's it, sir.
Okay, so that's what. Now, what's the future like? Like just go back to your presentation once.
So
Just go back to your presentation once.
just a second, sir.
Answer things. It's I mean like okay, so you guys have built something regarding like what we say e-learning platform you want to build, but it's a kind of small start which you guys have made. Okay, so this is the
Yes, sir.
okay, okay,
So
fine. So,
actually, sir, the project is not entirely complete. This is the rough idea we just pitched in. We
are it-
wanted
so
we
what's the
wanted little more time.
okay? You wanted little more time to be completed this whole thing.
Yes,
So
sir.
what's the current thing done and what's the I mean like thing which you have planned for completing? Would you like to mention it across?
So actually, we wanted to apply the anti-cheat for the exams and the social connect with the students and teachers for both of them.
Okay,
And we
some kind of like login state management might you have done, right? So you
yeah
had
we were planning to do the this whole thing with the connecting with the database, but for the backend team, our teammates are having problem with the connectivity, so they were not able to do anything, sir. That is the problem. So
okay,
we
no
only
worries.
me and Sarthak were able to work on it, so we only know the front part, sir. We are
Oh,
on the first semester only, sir.
okay, okay. Not an issue. Good job, good job, good job, guys. But like, just I will be speaking in the end. What is that we were like looking forward and all? Okay, fine. So now I
Sure, sir.
think yes. Thanks a lot for joining in, and we will just now go to the next team.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello, sir. This is Satyajit.
Yes, Satyajit. Just please let's go ahead and start presenting your project.
Yeah, sir. Actually, can you please? There is my teammate, Science Risma. Can you
Uh,
please allow
who?
her?
Who?
Science Risma, sir. Science.
Sai
Yeah.
Sai Rima.
Yeah.
Okay, just 1 minute.
Yeah. Can you please allow her to present because she has that on her
Yes, now
Kaggle.
she is the host. Now she can present.
Yeah.
Okay,
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 sorry.
okay. Just 1 minute, guys. Before you guys start presenting, I would like to share the actual tracking sheet, who all are done and who all are remaining. Okay, fine. After this presentation, I will share that. So yes, now you can start this thing.
Okay, so this is actually the introduction slide. We have four in our team, and I am the leader, Satyajit Narayan, Balaji Kodavati, Satvik Balasu, and Science Risma. So our theme is AI, DS, and analytics, and we are actually predicting the length of the patient stay for better resource allocation. Next slide, please. Yeah. So the problem statement we are trying to tackle is the length of the stay in some critical parameters to given that are will predict if someone wants to means stay for a longer duration given the parameters are means there are some parameters. So based on that parameters we shall decide that for how long can the patient stay. Okay, so next. Yeah, so this is our data set description. See, we have all the variables as categorical except for one variable, that is the price. So there are multiple columns, more than one columns, which have null values. And the prediction we are making on the number of days that are to be stayed, and that is also a categorical variable. And there is absolutely no collinearity among the features.
Okay, okay, just
So,
go ahead, go ahead.
yes, sir.
Just go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Present.
Yeah.
Complete the present.
So, okay, so the first inferences of the data were done using the Pandas library and the Seaborn library. And we just aggregated and made new features by aggregating old features. So some not many new features were made actually. Then we level encoded all the categorical variables and we passed them to all the algorithms like Light GBM, XGBoost, Cache Boost. Although Cache Boost does not need that level encoding thing, but still we had to do it because previously we passed it to XGBoost and LightGBM. And also we made a voting classifier at last to choose the best of the three models. So the tech stack we used was basically Python, scikit-learn, Seaborn library, catboost, classifier, XGBoost, and LightBGM.
Okay.
Yeah, so the project is finally means completed. We are just having one technical glitch, which we expect we can fix it, but it was not happening sometime before. But actually, we have to concat two features, sorry, two data set to get the accuracy score, and that thing is not happening after restarting that notebook. So we are just tackling that, and we can also use deep learning in it so that we can increase the accuracy of our model.
Okay, fine. So that's what your whole project is all about, right?
Yeah, sir. Do
No,
you want to see the code part of it?
yes, yes. I would like to. I would love.
Yeah, sir. Sure, sure, sure.
And how are you planning to deploy this whole model, and where are you planning to deploy this model? And third thing, I mean, how you are planning to make it available for the public, like for
Uh,
to use.
for deployment, we have thought of deploying it on AWS actually,
Hmm.
uh, but it is in the long run, not as of now.
Okay.
Because this model accuracy that we tested is approximately in 40s, so like 42, 43. So basically, I don't think this model should be deployed and made available to the public because we guess that this accuracy score we are getting
Yes, it's
is
very,
very
very
less.
low, right?
That
Very,
is the
very low.
main thing.
So how are you planning to increase the accuracy level into this?
By using deep
Are
learning,
you going to implement any other algorithms for that?
yeah, deep learning I shall implement, and we shall see what it holds for us.
Okay, so are you a student of Let's Upgrade?
Yes, sir. I am the LetsUpgrade student.
Okay, 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 fine. Good job, buddy. I mean, like, who are your teammates?
My teammates are Satvik Balasu and Balaji Kothabati and Sai Risma.
Okay, okay. Good job, guys. Good job. Thanks a lot. So
Thank
now
you, sir.
let's Prasad. I mean, like any other questions or other judges who are like internal judges, any questions, please post to me over private. I will be like asking it up if at all you are having any other questions. Okay, just to not crowd all of them to as co-hosts. That's why I'm only the one person who is speaking. So yeah. Okay, fine. So no, I mean no questions. Good to go. So like, can you just go to the very end, last one? Judge number two, judge number three. Okay.
Yes, so this is the part actually, means the prediction. Actually, sir, as you can see, there are values like 21 to 30. These are the dates, and we level encoded them to 0, and at the end we just decoded them.
Okay.
So that's why it is showing like in the table form.
Okay, fine. Take it. So thanks a lot for presenting up this thing. So now the next
Thank
team
you
we
so
will
much, sir.
be going ahead with.
Yes.
Okay. So okay, I was just asking one question. Okay, so one question I just forgot to ask you. So how you are thinking to like deploy? You said you're planning to deploy it via AWS,
Yes,
but
sir.
using some kind of like what kind of like UI systems you are thinking to make it available for as a kind of like front end systems?
So for front-end systems, we shall have a text box basically for input, and there we'll make input in columns like, and then after the columns are there, and when they will click the button, there will be a button associated with a click event to it, and after the user clicks the button, that input will go to our model, and here the model will again filter out the data because of course we have filtered out the main data like for the feature engineering steps will be
Hmm.
done so that the data which is good for our model is extracted, and after that you can make the prediction over it.
Okay. So you're planning basically a web app kind of system for
Yeah,
Libit.
kind of web app kind of system.
Okay, good job, Satyajit and other team members. So you can
Thank
predict,
you, sir.
but prediction level is like accuracy is very low to predict it anywhere.
Yes,
So
that is the main problem. We are planning to use deep learning for that. But sir, actually the problem is we have just started with deep learning, and also we are not means we have only done the binary classification thing, or else I would have gone forward with that also.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's totally fine. So now let's go to the next team. So just 1 minute, guys, before going to the next team. Yashwant, would you like to just share that public link of the sheet with statuses of all the teams, all the disqualified teams? Also, you please put it across there in red color. So the teams which are not reporting on time are getting disqualified. It's like don't tell me guys later on. So all the team and everything was already circulated in Discord. So yeah, let's go ahead right now to.
Sir, you have any that whoever now
Yes.
presented that Zoom?
Okay, I can.
Can you
Okay, I'll
share
share.
that names?
I'll share you that. Just 1 minute. Okay, so now the next team which is going to go live. Any other team which they want to come up live and present right now? I mean, like they can message in the chat, or like shall I be going across the sequence? So guys, I'm looking forward to you all in the chat. So yeah, any team who is ready right now to present here? Any of the team? So like for example, let me start again. This thing. Let's upgrade agriculture. Are you there? Let's upgrade agriculture. Are you there? So then ciphers, are you there? So ciphers, are you there?
Umesh is ready, I guess.
Umesh, that 80, Umesh, you are the same team, right? Umesh, what's your team name?
80,
done,
okay,
right?
okay, it's already done.
Okay. So now then afterwards, we are having REE. REE is one team. Are you there? Just please let us know. So if at all you are there, Warriors is ready. I think Warriors is here. Okay, Psycoders, are you there? Okay, let's do one small thing, guys. Let's do one small thing. First of all, let us see, are you there here? Yes or no? Let's finalize that. So the teams which are there here, who are not there here, let us keep them in red. I'm looking into your chat, so please let me know if at all you are there, or else. Yep, REE, are you there? REE, are you there? Yep, I've asked 2 times, now it's done. So Bravo coders, are you there? Bravo coders. I don't see them coming in. So now all the red people, they are not going to be entertained. Yashwant and other judges, please make a same reflection into your sheets. Okay. So code briefs is already done. So yep. Then afterwards we are having.
Sir, can you do in that? I will send you one sheet. Google
reflected there. Okay. So yep. Now here we are having what we say code viewers done. CRR Lions, are you there? CRR Lions, are you there? Hey guys, if at all you are there, if your name is here, just please mention it out across. So I'll just go directly and I'll keep it green, and rest everyone we will. Okay, VP coders, are you there? VP coders. As a CRR Lions, yes, CRR Lions is there. Okay, CRR Lions, it's now your turn to go ahead and start presenting. CRR Lions, are you ready to present? CRR Lions, are you ready to present? CRR Lions, are you ready to present? So next, okay, fine, okay. VP coders, are you there? VP coders, are you there? VP coders, fine. Psy coders, are you there? Fine. Mohammed Imran Mohsin, are you there? Mohammed Imran Asim. Mohammed Imran Asim. Okay, fine. Okay. So Warriors is there. I have seen that thing. So Warriors is here. Okay. Code Heist. Code Heist. Are you there? Code Heist. Code Heist. Fine. Sunrise. Sunrise. Are you guys here? Sunrise. Yes, Sunrise is here. Okay. Indian. Okay, so Indian patriots. Okay, fine. So now let's go ahead. Sierra Alliance is asking for a time. So now let's go ahead with Warriors. Warriors, I think you can go ahead. And we'll be not calling out the names and all, guys. We will just go ahead along. and the people who are therein, so let just come in and present. If at all you are not there in here, so like we will just marking it out red, and we will we'll just share the sheet so that you can see your sequences right away. So yep, you can just share this sheet, and you can have this sheet link, and you can see the what we say. Yep, you can see yourself here. Okay, so this is the sheet. I'm just sharing it across. So all the people who are therein, so just come in across to your what we say, the same manner. If at all you're not here, then please mark yourself or directly red or something. Yep. So now let's go ahead. So who's the next team? Who is the next team? That is Warriors. Warriors is the next team. Warriors is Harsha. Harsha. Okay, so Harsha and all these people, Kaushik Sai. Kaushik Sai, who else is in your team? I have just made you the co-host.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yep. Yep, Kaushik.
Yes, sir.
I mean, who else is in your team?
Yes, sir. Harsha is in my team, sir. 2 members, sir. Me and Harsha.
Okay, okay, fine. Just let's go ahead.
Sir, can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, yes, we can.
Okay, sir. We will start. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Kaushik Sai. My friend is Harsha. Our team name is Warriors, and our team is Agriculture. And we that is smart farming using IoT. And our idea and problem statement is idea is as we see in TVs that in Kerala the elephants and other animals are damaging crops of farmers, and some other climatic conditions such as rain and heavy rain and or no rains can affect the crop. By using this is the problem statement. By using green technologies, that is polyhouse farming, we can overcome it. The idea is we use it some sensors and some actuators to implement this project, and the polyhouse, and we can increase the food productivity also with this solution. And what is polyhouse? Poly means polythene or glass type material which is constructed as a house, and we can grow the fruits as papaya, strawberry, and plants also in any climatic conditions, and we can maintain climatic conditions there itself. And the technology is IoT. The IoT, by using sensors, we connected using Arduino, and connectivity by using Node MCU, we connected via cloud, and it will be showed in the mobile phone of a farmer or any person who is using the app we designed. IoT in polyhouse, this is a large scale polyhouse which can regulate inside atmospheric conditions, and we can control the following measures like temperature, humidity, soil moisture, tank level, carbon dioxide, etc. And parameter selection, we selected for the small scale only. Soil moisture up to 10% we given limited in soil sensor, and we write code for that. Humidity 50 to 70%, and these are the parameters we have selected. The system architecture is we connected the Arduino, sensor connected directly to Arduino, and sensors will take the data and stored in database of Arduino, and it will be shared via cloud to mobile app that is installed in the farmer's mobile. And GSM module is used to send SMS when it is a urgency to a farmer, and he can be alerted. And this is hardware design and algorithm. And here you connected some sensor. CO2 sensor is used to measure the CO2 level inside the polyhouse. If the CO2 level is less, by using motor driver, the ventilators which we are constructed will automatically open, and the CO2 will be maintained there. Soil moisture sensor, if it is dry, the sprinkler tank will spray the water inside the soil, and the soil moisture also will be maintained. The rain sensor is used to detect the rain outside, and automatically ventilators will open and the crop will get wet. If it is wet, the tank which is placed inside that will be stored with water, and we can use the water for further use. Temperature humidity sensor, if temperature is more, the fan which is placed which is exhaust fan, will be automatically on, and temperature will be maintained there. Humidity means the water will be sprinkled there. And GSM module, as we seen before. The SMS will be sent to mobile phone, Wi-Fi module, and we can send it by a cloud, ThinkSpeak, and Android app. And light is used, glow light is used to when in night conditions, and when there is a cloudy, automatically light will on, and it will be used for photosynthesis process in crop. Okay. An additional feature we added is it is outside of the polyhouse, which is interior detection using sensors. In use, we use Arduino and proximity sensor, or we can use RFID detectors, RF transmitter, and by using the GSM module, if RFID is not matched with our one, it will send to message to farmer, and if RFID matches, we can go inside the polyhouse. That is the additional feature we are adding.
Okay, so you are having one last minute to just complete this whole thing. So you have built this whole thing, or like
no, sir. No, sir. But as of now, during the pandemic, we can't build it, sir. We taken some model for that is like this. We will also build as a house, and we will construct the connections by giving Arduino and some sensors we also use, and we cover with using polythene and ventilators and we use interior detection at the front of here. And this is just outline, just like a model as that one.
So when you built this whole thing, so when you have built this,
sir, actually this is not our built one. So just we have got an idea by seeing needs. This is taken from internet, sir. Same like this only we will build using automation in IoT technology, sir.
Also go back to your that Android. Okay, anything else which you have as a technology front which you would love to present?
Sir, this is technology, sir. We use IoT technologies, which we use ESP8266 node MCU, sir.
So why have you actually kept there the carbon dioxide sensor there? Just go back.
So carbon dioxide sensor, it measures the carbon dioxide level inside the polyhouse. Okay. Sir, and automatically,
This one. The problem statement is all about that. What's your problem statement? Again, just come again on your problem statement. The problem statement you have mentioned it across. That was to make sure the crop yield is more. Okay,
yes,
so yield is more, and at the same time also to make sure that your what we say, the elephants and different kinds of animals which are
animals.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
protect the crop from the animals, sir.
And even animals they are also fine at the same time. That's what the whole thing it is. So for building this thing, you have to build a kind of greenhouse setup, right? That's what
polyhouse.
It knows polyhouse.
Yes,
By
sir,
using
same only.
Actually, polyhouse is used to protect from UV rays. We can use polythene cover, or you can use any glass type material to protect from sun rays, more sun rays, or it will be covered as a house, sir. You can build inside the house.
Okay. Just go back again to that sensor. So what is that sensor doing inside a poly house? Can you just please explain that single stuff?
Sir, it collects the data, sir.
The sensor will collect the data.
Okay. No, I mean, yes, I know what sensor
It
is.
takes the data and sends to the cloud, sir.
Okay. So what this cloud app is end of the day doing?
Sir, actually the data will collected by sensors, and it will send to database of Arduino. And by Wi-Fi module, we connected a Wi-Fi module to send the data to cloud, and by using some app, we can develop it app by using some MIT app developer.
Just one minute. Okay, MIT app inventor you will use for developing a mobile app. I 100% got that point. But you have said that cloud things speak.
ThinkSpeak, sir. It's a cloud platform, sir. ThinkSpeak.
Okay, fine. So how
store the results, sir? For every minute, we got the data. To store that data,
I got it. But how you will be sending the data from Arduino, Mega board to ThinkSpeak? I mean, don't say me that Wi-Fi module directly and GSM module directly. So just tell me some kind of code will be there in between. So what's that code which is going to send this thing?
Yes, sir. We have code. Can we show it, sir?
Yes, you can show me that thing.
Yes, sir. I will show, sir.
Can you show me even the things speak dashboard if at all you are having?
Sir, actually we need Arduino board to do it, sir, because as of now we don't have Arduino board, sir.
Okay. So I mean, like we have not implemented anything, right? This is a kind of like ideation, right?
Idea and just we have written code for it, sir. It will work, sir, I think.
Show me that. I mean, like what's that code? I want to see that once.
Okay, sir. We will show, sir. Once.
We had an Arduino board. How you have written a code? You have written it in like Arduino C, right?
Yes, sir. And means we wrote in code, but it will be executed. But it was showing like connected to Arduino board, and it will doing, sir. It will work, sir.
How you know? How you know it will work?
I think you tested in any online components Arduino. Can you show that any online so many components are there? Proteus like this softwares. You can dump your code and you can show.
Yes, sir. Online Arduino software is there, sir. We can just check the syntax, sir.
Yeah,
You can do it.
I mean, even you can actually put dummy sensors and all, and it's a kind of like a virtual environment for testing your all Arduino setup. That's what Yashwant is mentioning up from that time. So yeah, not an issue. This is what your whole project is all about.
Yes, sir.
You want to take farming to another level, right?
Yes, sir.
And okay,
So,
good.
for the farmers' benefit in India, we are using this project, sir.
And we are extra.
The main advantage is we can cultivate crops at any season, sir. For only particular crops, we have some seasons, no, sir. In January or February. For using this project, we can cultivate any time in the year, sir.
Okay, so now just answer me this one last question. What's the business model around this thing? What's the business model around this thing?
Sir, actually,
this is not a social project, guys. I'm very sorry. This is not a social project. This is a project which is for business only, business model only project. So what's the business model around it?
Sir, it is like organic farming, no, sir.
It's not. It's way away from organic farming. Organic farming and this
no,
thing.
sir. It's not organic farming, but
the production rate also is very high, sir. When we use this farming.
My basic question is, how are you going to sell your this boards? What is that you're proposing? I mean, you're proposing an idea or you're proposing a product which you want to go and sell? What is that you're proposing?
Just sir, we are proposing an idea. We need to implement this project, sir. It takes some time to implement, sir, but we have already just by connecting we can do it, sir.
Okay, fine.
But as it government also provides subsidy for doing it, sir.
Sir, when we do this type of farming, government can give 50% of the entire production cost, sir. Installation cost.
Okay, I got that whole point, boss. But how you are end of the day? What we say, you will be selling it to like how many farmers, or like what is this whole thing? What is the costing of one product, one unit? What's the end costing? Do you have any estimate?
Sir, it depends on the area, sir. It depends on the area.
Sir, and based on acres, it will cost will increase, sir. But our one is up to 3,000.
Sir, for every plant, it takes around 2,000 to 3,000 like that, sir. Installation, every plant.
Every plant, or like every what we say that poly plant, or what is that?
No, sir. For acre, it will take up to 50,000, I think, sir. No, not 50,000, like 30,000 less than 30,000.
So, I mean, you all have to have that's where this business model perspective comes in, right? 1 month paisa is being calculated. So
but it is one-time investment, sir. You can get huge profit also, sir.
100%.
I think
we will get profit, sir.
I think Arduino Megaboard will be capable of doing that. So many.
No, sir. But just for prototype model, we use Arduino Mega. We can use wireless sensor networks for large scale also, sir. You can wireless sensor networks in large.
Fine. You're already overshooted 5 minutes. It's okay. So nice product, but you need to build this thing end of the day. So just please build it. Okay. So, and build that MIT app inventor. You have said so easily, but build that MIT app inventor. Okay, that's a different ball game.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's it, guys. All the best. And now the next team, he is here. The next team we have to go around with. So this was Warriors, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep. So Warriors is done. So now CRR Lions, you're already. I mean, like CRR Lions, CRR. Okay. Yep. Sai Krish, it is. Okay, just 1 minute, Sai Krish. I'm just making you the. Yeah. So Sai Krish, like who else is your team member? Sai Krish, you are like Harsha. Again Harsha, one more Harsha. CR, who is this right now? I mean, Sai Krish, you are already a host, co-host. Please turn on your mic, and you can start presenting your project. Your time starts.
Sir, Harsha will present, sir.
Okay, so Harsha, please first start presenting. Harsha, you are also a co-host.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yep. Let's start. Can I start the timer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Your timer starts right now. Go ahead.
Sir, is it visible, sir?
No, it's not visible, boss. Okay, so I mean, your screen is not visible. Can you do something?
1 minute.
Yep. Yes, now it is visible. Okay, you're presenting on your mobile phone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Take it. Let's go ahead.
Is it visible, sir, now? Clearly?
Yes, yes. It's totally visible. Totally visible. Just go ahead.
Sir, actually, our project was under the topic of innovative games, sir.
Okay.
We thought that one game called Secret Friends, sir, name.
Okay.
It contains so many stages, sir. We build like that. First stage, everyone will log in through some credentials or sign up from that, sir. From that, the game will begin, sir. Next, we gave one option like favorite choice. Example, favorite hero or favorite sportsman or favorite place, etc. Like that, we gave some options, sir. Based on the selection of the option, they choose and gave their favorite choice, sir. Regarding that choice, they have to give 2 hints to get that favorite answer, sir. Favorite choice which was given by them, sir. These hints will be collected by us, by our app or application. We put some time limit, sir. Based on the time limit or some team, after that team, random secret friends have been chosen to the some other person, sir. Based on that person, that hint will be also goes to there, sir. Like that, hints will be go on, sir. Based on the hints, they have to find out the what will be the favorite answer which was given by their secret friend. Like that, it was the going on, sir. Based on the next level, we gave some challenges also, sir. These challenges also will be generated by secret friend to the friend who actually presented as the random friend, sir. This friend will get that challenges. Based on the challenge completion, he will get a second hint, sir.
Okay, so just tell me one thing. Is your project is built or like is it in still?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will show up to what I completed.
Time's up, by the way, but let's go ahead. So, is it taking time to load?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are any video you done? You can show.
What, sir?
Video you done any video? You
Video. No, sir. Up to now, we didn't complete.
Other teams members who are actually participants who are live, if they want to complete their project being live, they just have to at least one member from the team attend this, and the other people can complete their product and submit their product by 5:30. By 5:30, you all need to submit your projects inside the Google form. Okay, so submit your projects by then. I think Sai is it taking time?
Sai Krish, can you share your screen? Sir, it loaded, sir.
Okay.
It was the web-based project, sir.
Okay. How you build this?
Using Django and Python, sir. For the
Okay.
front end, we use HTML and CSS.
Okay, show us that thing, right? I mean, like literally show us that it's working.
What, sir?
Okay, just log in, right?
Yes, sir, I will show you. This is the sign up, sir.
Okay. See, guys, I mean, for all the other teams who are gonna come up right now. Okay. So yes, that's it, guys, and that's it. So now we need to let you go right now. So our time is running. So Harsha and what is Sai Krish, all the best with your product. We are like we were not able to see the demo. It is all okay.
Okay.
But yeah.
Sir, we can share link, sir. Can we check it?
Yes, you can share the link and we will check that part. Okay. So the other judges
Okay, sir.
who are the underlying the whole crowd, please check that project and let us know. Okay. Like,
Okay,
mark
sir.
according.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank
Okay,
you.
so next team, you were which team? You were Sierra Lions, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. The next team which is going to be live right now is Sierra done, Tech Pandas done, Steady Variables done, Warriors done, Sunrise. And after Sunrise, we are having Indian Patriots. Indian Patriots. Are you guys there?
Just a small thing can we do if possible, like let's like directly jump onto the project presentation and they can just explain while showing us the demo itself instead of first reading out the thing and then going to the demo.
Yep. So first of all, let us just go Sunriser team. Let me just make you guys go. So Pooja I have done, and then afterwards we are having Anusha. Yeah. So guys, you are already co-hosts. Just please go ahead, and please let us know if at all your other team members are there who needs to get the access. Pooja, Sunrise team, unmute yourself. You guys are waiting for you.
Yes, sir, I'm sharing the screen.
Yes, other team member, I think.
So is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Ganesh will explain it.
Okay, Ganesh, I think Ganesh needs to be like unmuted. Whoa, this online hackathon is like a different experience for us right now. Ganesh, you are a co-host. You can now unmute yourself.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Ganesh, and our theme is COVID-19. So it is a we selected COVID-19 as our theme. So what we actually done is actually coronavirus is the main problem we are facing nowadays. Not only Indians, whole world is suffering from this virus. Scientists are trying very hard to create the vaccine, but it's too late now. So we need to protect ourselves from this global pandemic. So we are come up with the idea of uh, creating e-commerce website. So we will provide the protection tools in a very low price, as we are taking these materials from the people who are working at home, and who all are the homemade tools. Who are working at home, we will take the product from there and we will sell it in our website. So as corona is spreading more and more, we are included some features. So treating the patients is very hard for doctors nowadays in this COVID situation. So many lives has been lost due to lack of oxygen and lack of ambulance and everything. So we made a website to provide all the thing. for the people who wants protection tools like masks, sanitizers, we will provide them. It is like a Amazon, Flipkart, like a e-commerce website, sir. So first users will log it into our site and they will register and they will search for the if they want any COVID-19 information, they will search for the information. And if they want to buy any products like masks and sanitizers, they will buy from our site. And one thing I will say, sir, and now this future we are not going to develop it. People from a high background will going to do that. It's not possible to us. It's an idea, just an idea, sir. Ordering vaccine, pre-ordering a vaccine, sir, in a site, so people can pre-order the vaccine, and after vaccine is available in the market, we will provide them. Actually we can't do it, sir, vaccine like that big thing. Just it's an idea, sir. And people also get some emergency situations, if the people are going to die, they want some emergency situations, though we will provide some contact information. So people will call us and they can ask us any ambulance required, or any plasma donation they required, or if they also want doctor appointment in any hospital, we will provide the appointment also. It's like a third party application. We are like a third party application between hospitals and the people, sir. And we implemented here some 4 or 5 features, sir, as it is a very big task. We don't have enough time to prepare all these things, as we started yesterday only creating all these things. So we want some other time. And on presenting this demo project, we are having some homepage issues, sir. We need to link 2 or 3 pages. We are having those issues, so we will update everything in the video itself, sir. So
Okay, so I mean, as of right now, how much is you have any demo? Like, please show us the demo, right? Something you might have built, some web page, something.
yes, sir. Pooja, can you show the screenshots?
Yep.
1 second, sir.
Hey guys, I have just messaged something in the chat. In the meanwhile, every one of you, please go through the chat. If at all you are there from that particular team, mention it across in the chat right away. So from the team which has been listed, so that we can have you guys listed here. So
Sir, and technologies we used HTML, CSS, PHP, and Bootstrap, everything. So in future, we are also going to deploy machine learning prediction also. So it's in a future plan. We didn't implement that part.
What are you going to do with machine learning?
Actually, it's like a prediction, and we are going to we are planning to include COVID-19 information, everything in that model, sir. So they will be aware of COVID-19 everything.
What you will do with that machine learning model? What is the end output of that machine learning model? See, okay, so what is the end output of the machine learning model? Tell me.
Sir, it's not an end output, sir. We will just provide information regarding that, sir.
So machine learning model is there for like a kind of prediction, or like what we say, some kind of like analysis and all. So what is the analysis you are going to do with that? I mean, like you have only just mentioned it across right now, right, Ganesh? So what is that you are going to do from that?
Sir, okay, sir, I will tell it. Not completely machine learning, sir. We will use stably part, and we will create different dashboards and everything, and we included in that. So every time you will update the dashboard and everything in that site itself. So it's a very small feature, sir. Our main feature is to provide doctor applications and providing tools which are required for people, and any plasma availability is there, any hospital beds are available, like that we will do it, sir.
Okay, fine.
Can we see a demo like something?
Yeah, Pooja, can you please show the screenshots, please?
Screenshots, no, like a static page or itself, like which you have built. Just
Yes, sir. We are having linking page itself. Before it ran, now it's not running. It's small error is there.
Okay, just show us the at least home page, right?
So actually, sorry for the interruption, sir. Actually, this is the home page, and we were unable to linking the pages, so we have.
Screen is not visible. Screen is not.
Screen is not visible. So please, can you share the screen and then showcase the front page or something?
Sir, just a minute. So is it visible?
Yep, it's visible.
So actually, this is the home page, and then we have made the registration for doctors and the customers here. So registration for doctor, registration page for doctor is here, so they can provide us the information that how many hospital beds are available in hospitals, and that of the plasma units and doctors availability, and then this is the customer registration form, and we are taking here location that so that and we are putting this whole information in the database so that we will like analysis, or we can analyze the location in which location there are more patients, and we need to provide the more plasma and oxygen as the priority.
Sir, once check the columns also, sir. Location, oxygen required, plasma required, everything is included, sir. It's
Yes, sir.
totally it's a third party application between hospitals and peoples. We are the third party link between them.
Okay, fine. Anusha, what you have like contributed in this whole project?
Sir, actually the project idea was mine.
Okay, so idea was yours, and Ganesh, what you have contributed to this
Sir,
project?
actually, we divided the work among ourselves. Some part is done by Anusha, some part by me, and some part by Pooja, and my other teammate Vinay also is there, sir. We divided the task among ourselves, and we did everything. And we
Okay.
commented.
Okay, good
And
guys.
sir, we were actually trying to make the cart, but
Yes, so these are the thought also.
the task is like
Yes,
incomplete, so
yes, this is
it's
small
showing
error,
like
sir.
this.
We will clear it and we will update everything.
So because we have not connected it to database.
Yes, sir, that's the only problem.
Okay, fine, guys. I mean, like, I'll just suggest you only one small thing. That is, that you're trying to like make Amazon for COVID-19 and all. One basic question: what do you think? How many days more COVID-19 is going to be there with us? Okay, so how many days? How many days?
Sir, it's probably 2 or 3 months it will be there. Until vaccine comes, COVID will increase severely.
So see now, I mean, like it's very simple, guys. I mean, okay, if at all you're building something, the basic idea for COVID-19, what I just thought of like giving in the hackathon theme was, can we build something for the distribution channels? Because you know, COVID-19 vaccine distribution is so difficult. Each and every vaccine needs to be transported in minus 90 degrees Celsius.
Yes, sir.
So that minus 90 degrees Celsius is the challenge. I thought of, I'm like, you will be building some hub and spoke model and all. This is a very good like thought process, thinking about like we will make a Amazon kind of like model for it. But end of the day, ask one question to yourself. End of the day, ask one question to yourself. You're coming for a hackathon for only three things. Either you're going to hackathon is all for building something new, something disrupting, something like which will add on value to the society. But this particular the same thing, whatever you're thinking to sell here, is already there in Amazon, right? So how is this thing going to help in the whole world? Just think about it.
Yes,
Just
sir. Actually, in Amazon, they are only selling the products, no, sir. But here we are giving the hospital details and emergency requirements and everything. We are also giving the information about hospitals and everywhere. We are going to include third-party API here. So we will collect the information from doctors and will provide it to the user.
now I will ask you a different question. How is this thing different from MedLife? MedLife actually ships me everything, and MedLife also connects me to a doctor. So MedLife is doing the same thing, right? I mean, think about it. Think about the problem statement before getting into it fully, because you are putting in a lot of efforts, and this is actually good. Good. I mean, you have kept the efforts amazing, 100% worthy. But ask yourself one question, because you are like in a hackathon, you need to develop something new which has not been done, and either you need to develop some kind of app which can be deployed. Like, yes, this is not there, this is I'm making, and this is deployable, I'm deploying. So these are the parts. Think about it, and again, just all the best, guys. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
Okay,
This is
sir.
the small
Actually,
thing we
this
missed.
was
This was the very
our first hackathon, so we were just
I know,
have
I know.
not idea about
Ready.
that hackathon.
So it's all good. It's all good. But first hackathon it is. So like next time when you will go, this is the keywords which I'm giving. Not only you guys, all the people who are listening, all the 60 people who are there live right now, 53, 60. So that's where it's like you all just have to like keep this thing in mind that whatever you build something new out of the box so that it's like you have like 100% chances to win that thing. Okay. So just this is only one lesson from my side. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot. Good job by the
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
as compared to first hackathon. Okay, so the next team right now, which is going to come up here, is Embedded Bees. Embedded Bees. Embedded Bees. Who is that from Embedded Bees? Embedded Bees. Embedded Bees. Who is the team members of Embedded Bees? I've just seen that here somewhere. Someone had mentioned here, I'm from Embedded Bees. Pranjali. Okay, what is it? Yes. Okay, so now let me just make you the co-host. So now you can unmute Pranjali. Pranjali. Okay, so you can unmute yourself right now. And who are your teammates?
Prajakta and Gauri.
Okay, Prajakta and Gauri. Are they in the call right now?
Yeah.
Prajakta, can you just please mention a hi here? Prajakta and Gauri, right? G. Who's going to? They're not in the call, I think.
Wait, sir, I'm telling you.
Sir, whoever completed, just mark it the completed because we'll be get confusion again.
Okay, I'm actually marking it, Babu. Don't worry.
Okay.
No, not done. They are like sunrises. Till sunrises, it is done. Okay, so now Soul Glory is also here. Soul Glory. Okay, Soul Glory, guys, you want to go first, and then what we say, then we'll come back to Embedded Bees. Okay, Soul Glory. Soul Glory. Okay, let's go ahead and let make Soul Glory. Pranjali, I will just get you later, little while. Okay. So, yep. So, okay, Soul Glory it is. Yep. So currently we are having Soul Glory members as co-host. Okay. So who else is in Soul Glory? Madhuri, you are one. Madhuri.
Yes, sir.
Can you just please let me know your like teammates?
Yeah, Vaishnavi and Bhagyesh.
Okay. So Vaishnavi, you are also like a co-host. Please like unmute yourself. Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir.
Yep. So now you guys can go ahead. I'm seeing myself on the screen. Yes.
So my name is Madhuri. So I'm going to introduce our project, and Vaishnavi is going to demo the project.
Okay.
Yeah. So we developed the e-learning site, and in that we have two modules like students and teachers, and their teachers can add their courses and student can get access to it, and basically we have attendance and quiz, and we have like option of playlist also, in which we can add recorded sessions, and we have question papers and reference books column also. So that's it. And we have reference courses, means we have added reference courses also, so that student can get extra knowledge of it, means of that particular topic.
Okay. So one question that I'm
Yes,
like,
sir.
okay, just okay. Technology stack. Technology stack. This is the technology stack.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Just go and explain the technology. Can you showcase the
Yes,
demo?
sir.
Showcase the demo of the full project, please.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, sir. This is our e-learning website and Catalyst website, and here we added some recommended courses, so user can get the access. User can go through it.
Wow, this is good. This is amazing. I mean, this is our own website. We are like, wow, amazing. I mean, like, good job, guys. Good job.
Thank you, sir. And here in footer we add our about us, contact us information, and there are some users who ignores to sign up and log in. So for that users we added this initial page, and the users who log in our site can get the access of this page.
Okay.
And there are some part we left because of time limits, sir. And here are two, I added two tabs, that is my course, that, and here is the admin panel. Mm,
So you built this whole thing on WAMP server.
yes, yes, if the teacher added courses through this page, then we can see that those courses here, and in these specific courses we can get the information, all information, that is course details, objectives of that courses, course outcomes, and here we can get the recorded sessions.
Okay, just,
And because
just tell me once
yes,
more.
sir.
Okay. So Vaishnavi, Bhagesh, and Madhuri. Okay. So who is the PHP developer in you three?
Yes, sir, I am Vaishnavi.
Acha, Vaishnavi. So Vaishnavi, what are you doing right now? I mean, like, you are passed out student or
I am
you?
a student. Currently, I am in third year.
So there is one option in like user manage, like there is manage meetings. One option is there.
Yes, sir. This part is remaining. Manage attendance, manage quiz, and manage meetings.
Okay. So just go to all courses.
Yes. Here is our home page of admin panel, and here we can add categories, so that student can get these categories. Students can see these categories like this. Here we get these categories. We can edit these categories through this.
Okay. So just tell me one thing, Vaishnavi. How much time did it took to you to fully build this thing end to end?
Yes, sir.
How much time?
From yesterday, we started yesterday.
You started yesterday. Show me the GitHub.
Yes, GitHub.
Yep, please.
Sir, we didn't add this course in GitHub.
Why? It was mentioned right yesterday, very clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, I mean, like, it's good to see this kind of project, but I literally, I mean, very frank, guys, I've been to like have like seen so much of these things happening. Okay, it may be like I just want to see GitHub, and I want to see this is a very big project to be pulled up in like one single day or something. I don't know. I mean, other judges who are there, and like they can actually mention it across in the chat right now. So I think that's how we can end this, and we have a co-host. So like, what do you think about it? Any questions would you like to ask? Please, you can ask.
Like you are just using like you are the PHP developer here, and other two, can I please know like what they have contributed to like in developing this whole platform?
Yes, she managed the database of this system.
Who,
She
who
created these tables and store the data in these tables.
Okay.
And the front end guy.
Who's the front end?
He is not present here.
Who is that? Who is that?
Bhagyesh Joshi.
Bhagesh is here in the car. He is the
Hello, hello, sir.
Sorry.
Hi Bhagesh. So how what is the frame like? How you have built the whole front end? Can you please explain us?
Hello.
Bhagesh, how you built the front end? Would you like to explain us? Bhagesh. Okay, so Vaishnavi, I mean, like you were the PHP person, right? So what's the thing used in the front end? Can you please mention it across?
Yes, sir. We used HTML and CSS tags in as a front end.
Some kind of library?
Libraries. Sorry, means.
Okay.
Like you have CSS libraries, no? Like frameworks, you have Bootstrap, Bulma,
No,
Material.
we didn't use that libraries.
Okay, just
CSS.
okay, just go
Simple
to the
CSS
homepage.
properties.
Okay, just go to the homepage of your product.
Yes.
Okay, so like if a user is suppose signing up, he can enroll into a course. Can you please demo that? Like if I am a new user coming to website and I log in, and suppose there are 3-5 courses, I want to choose any one course. Can I enroll and then see it in my database?
So as soon as I mean, will come in and he will log in and enroll, so will that whole thing will reflect in my database? The same SQL table which you showed up right now?
Yes, sir. If the teacher can add the course, then that whole courses can get the user. Student can get that whole courses.
That is that is not the way you will do. I guess like if you're online, like if you go to Udemy, right?
Yes.
The Udemy instructor won't add you. Okay.
Yes, sir. But we created this for our college as a college purpose. Means in semester, every student can get the whole courses. So that if the teacher created the course, then whole class will get the access of that course.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Just some questions in the chat. I guess Shubham is asking how you guys made it in the 36 hours. Because I guess this is a whole very big thing to just pull off.
A little big thing to pull off altogether. That's why I'm also amazed a little bit. So yeah, guys, I mean, if at all you have built it across, so
it's a like great job, like great hard work if it's done.
Sir, these all pages are static here, so we didn't make it dynamic. So that part is left.
Okay, so it is not interlinked. Like if I go
Yes,
click
yes.
here, okay, then okay. So each individual page.
We created this page static. If the admin can add the details, then that courses didn't reflect here because we didn't link it. That part is removed. So these pages are static pages.
I'll tell you why we are so suspicious. Okay, I'll be one thing. We guys at LetsUpgrade are trying to build something like similar to something like this. Okay, it is taking us like more than like 25 days to pull it across. Okay, and now you are telling that
just 3 days. Like I was
36 hours, not even 3 days. I'm like, what is that my developers are doing? I'm like, I'm my developers right now. Okay, so that's where the whole question is fundamentally. Like, it's good job, guys. Like, please expect a call from me after this hackathon. So that's it, nothing else. Okay.
and just a front end, like if you just quick suggestion, instead of focusing on this layouting and everything, like more
Yes,
focus more on the functionality, and then you have this frameworks ready, like who do this tedious job of designing and everything.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and Vaishnavi, Madhuri, and Bhagesh. So we will be having a different other round call or something like that to just understand what it is. But yep, all the best with your results. Yep.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, so
have the team name again, sir. Sunrise, right?
Sunrise.
Something.
Okay.
Soul
Yeah,
Glory. Okay.
Yep, Sunrise हो गया. Then उसके बाद Soul Glory. Sorry, Soul Glory it was. Embedded Bees. Embedded Bees. Are you there? Embedded Bees. Embedded bees, are you guys in here? Yes, Pranj. Okay. Now, Pranjali, make co-host. Make co-host. Yes, Pranjali. I mean, like Prajakta. Where is Prajakta? P-R-A-J. Yes, Prajakta is here. Okay, and one more person was there, right? Please unmute and please tell us, right? I mean, who is that one more person in your team? Pranjali.
Gauri.
Yes, yes.
Gauri.
Sorry, okay. But Gauri's name is not in the participants list. What's the name of Gauri? Gauri, can you message me messages in the chat? Okay, guys, please unmute yourself and start speaking about the project. Right? We are literally waiting for your project. Okay, V19 BE2G. Oh, wow. Let's make a small rule, guys. Everyone have to turn on their camera. I mean, like, are you guys like literally reading from some script, or are you presenting with? We are like literally not understanding. Me and Yashwant are staring like this. Acha, okay, okay, fine. It is like that. Please turn on your cameras. It would be like actually we're talking to some humans. Just 1 minute. I want to keep this human safety band on my Instagram portal. Just 1 minute. I want to keep this project ka status on my Instagram. Just 1 minute. Yeah, go ahead.
Women's safety band. As we know nowadays, there is very much physical harassment increases day by day. So that this band will helpful for us for protecting from hazard, uh, protecting physical harassment for the women in this.
Yep, in this.
Okay, 1 minute. Our problem statement is to protect the woman, and in this to reduce the crime against the woman.
Okay.
We have used this in this we have used the emergency. It is used for emergency system. We have used the temperature sensor, heartbeat sensor, GPS, GSM, Wi-Fi module for hotspot, relay driver, and Arduino at Mega 328 microcontroller.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Yep.
at temperature sensor and heartbeat in that model, if we if we wear that band, then temperature sensor and heartbeat sensor will be taken automatically, and it will check if it feels that it temperature sensor and heartbeat sensor increases, then SMS will be sent to your relatives by GSM, and GPS is used for location, as we use the IoT in this project. And panic switch, it help if we press the, if possible, if she press the panic button, then the person who is harassing her, giving harassment to him, shock system will be present.
Okay.
Then in this Wi-Fi module is there. It is will be using this. We need a hotspot. It will send the SMS and GPS location to person where our relatives or police station near us. And relay driver is used for on and off as continuous. We cannot, and manual reset is used for as if one it is gone, then to reset and again start the coding.
Okay.
And through this the person will the woman will get the and reduce the safety, and save from a harassment. And this we can use for child also.
But one small question it is, Pranjali. Like, just go ahead, show me the like. This is your particular block diagram for this whole.
Yeah.
Okay. How is it is going to prevent the whole thing? Okay, I know this. Okay, fine. Let's go ahead.
We have made this.
Okay. You have made this. Okay. Ranjali, just tell me one small thing. Uh, what's that? What we say? Once that shock wala wave is there, right? The relay which will be giving shock. So the shock will be even be given to the particular person who is wearing that band, right?
Yeah, matlab she who is bearing through that person who is harassing her, to him it will get the shock.
Acha, acha, acha. So okay, just tell me one thing, like where your colleges are. I mean, you belong to which college?
DY Patil.
Diva Padil, Mumbai.
No, Pune. I have completed. Now
Acha,
I am in Vector India.
okay. So yep. So you are a working professional, right, Pranjali?
Yeah.
Yep. So just I actually like this is a very good project, but I'm currently a little bit what we say kind of like myself not okay with that shock wala treatment. Okay, because even the victim who is getting harassed will be also getting a shock, right? If I'm wearing this particular band and this band is a kind of like my human safety band, even if I'm having a small cell which is like giving shock to someone, it will give shock to me also, right? Yep.
Yeah.
So then, I mean, I'm also going to. अरे मुझे भी तो करंट लगेगा ना.
थोड़ा बहुत मतलब we have to work on it.
Okay, okay. You have to work on that particular segment. Just go up and again show me that what we say. Yep. This is which software you are using this? This is virtual terminal, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay. So heartbeat sensor and all. What this heartbeat sensor, temperature sensors will do?
If she not possible her to press that switch, then through that automatically temperature and heartbeat sensor is taken by, from her body particular, and SMS will be sent to her relatives or nearby police station, and
Just tell me this one small thing that when I'm going for a roller coaster ride, okay, when I'm going for a roller coaster ride or I'm going for a small giant wheel, जो आता है ना मेले में, so if I'm sitting in a car, okay, and something very accidentally something happened nearby me, okay, something happens accidentally nearby me, so it would be like automatically like without what we say that just I mean giant wheel is just for fun, so but there also my heartbeat and my temperature raises at the end of the day, right? If my temperature and like heartbeat is raising end of the day, my relatives will have the SMS at the same point of time, which would actually not be that good idea, don't you think so? Yes, so I think you need to work on this thing more, but it's a good project, very nice project. If at all you're figuring out this whole thing, and if you have a small prototype, then you can actually go and present it to 2, 3 different patent houses and little get it produced at the end of the day. Okay, think about it. Think about it. That's it. Anything else which you would love to like present right now? Yep. Thanks a lot, Pranjali and Madhuri. And okay, so who is working on which particular module in this? Is it something like that? Madhuri and what we say, as we are having different people here. Not Madhuri, I mean, like, so Pranjali and Prajakta, and one more person is there, right? Gauri. Gauri. So, how you guys are working on this? Who is working on which module?
I was working on temperature, heartbeat, and panic switch, all that. Gauri was working on relay driver related, and
Okay.
Prajakta was working on other GPS, GSM, Wi-Fi.
Okay, okay, okay. Nice, very good, guys. Very nice, amazing efforts. Chalo. So upload that video into the what we say the same Google form and all. It was 5:30 was the deadline, I think. So just I hope that you all have uploaded it by now. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for being here. Yep. Yep. So now the next team is Team Alpha. Team Alpha. Team Alpha, please message me across in the chat. Team Alpha. Team Alpha. Yes. Who is that? Okay. Infant. Ranjan. Okay. Ranjan is Ranjan. Ranjan, I just made you the co-host. Nikhil Shetty. Right.
And Lalit Rahul, sir.
Okay, this one. Yeah, Nikhil Shet and Lalit Rao. Okay, fine. So now you guys can actually start presenting your idea and the whole project.
Good afternoon, all. I'm Lalit, representing Team Alpha.
Yep.
So, yeah, we chose the theme agriculture.
Oh,
so
good.
the main agriculture. So the main idea behind our project was, so most of us know that our farmers receive electricity in their farms during mostly during the night times. So during those times, a farmer, like everyone feels a little difficulty to reach the farm and turn on the water motor or to monitor the field during night times. So
Yep.
yeah, to monitor the fields during these situations, and also to maintain any trespassing and so such things. So we wanted to build a cheaper model, cheaper system to monitor the field.
Okay.
So we decided, and this model is completely an idea based. So we are just started building. The hardware part is being building. The coding is almost done.
Okay.
So we have divided the whole module, the main module, into two modules. One is the field monitoring system, which is used to monitor the field. Like like four main modules we are working on right now. One is the trespassing, then the temperature and rain monitoring system, the soil humidity sensor, and 24/7 video enabled security system to ensure that the user, the farmer, can view his field anytime, and he can manually also like let the water flow and maintain like according to the humidity of the soil, he can let the water flow according to the crop.
Yep. Yep.
And second part, we have trading or yield update platform. So this platform we are building to ensure that the user, the farmer, can directly post the yield, what is getting, what is the produced in the platform. So in the platform, the consumer or the wholesaler can view it through the platform and contact the user, the farmer directly, and make the sale, make the deal directly instead of going through a middleman. So coming to the field monitoring system. So this I already explained you. So in the trespassing monitoring system, we use a bunch of PID sensors, the motion sensors, and which is connected to an microcontroller. The microcontroller in turn is connected to an Wi-Fi module, which is used to send the data.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, whenever we get any motion detected, it directly sends to we what is the plan made is, we are going to collect all the sensor data into a database, which in turn will also be posted on a website through which the farmer can view his field anytime, and any parameters, they may be trespassing, or he wants to let water into the field, or he wants to view the camera or the video of his field, can be monitored using the website. And if trespassing is taken place in the field, the detail will be sent through initially, as of now, the code is done, like the details will be sent through an email using the SMTP protocol. The email is being sent through to the farmer as of now, all the details. So same way, the temperature and rain monitoring module also works. All the system is made, all the sensors and data collection and data uh, produced to the user is done in a very simpler manner, uh, keeping in mind that the farmers, uh, keeping in the mind of the farmers. So since everyone, we want everyone to use this product. So we basically have initially used data is being collected, stored to the database, and it will be emailed to the user as of now.
Okay, so now I mean, Lalit Raju. Okay, just go ahead. I
Yes,
mean,
sir.
like, would you like to show the whole code? I mean, it would be amazing if at all you can show us the code.
Yes,
Or
sir. Yes, sir. The
yeah.
code will be shown by Infant Ranjan. Infant, can you please?
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Infant, please share
Hello.
share the code.
Yep, I can hear you. And one small, I mean, like out of the box query it is, will the farmers be able to read the mails which the system will be sending?
Yes, sir. Since this is our initial idea, sir, we just have modeled the whole
Sir,
setup.
we can implement this by using. We can even send text messages to the mobile, sir. Like
Okay.
it's not mandatory to send mail only. We can do the through mobile, like text messages also.
So end of the day,
So this is the first model.
just go work. Like,
Sir?
please execute. Please execute. I will ask my question later.
So this is the first module, sir. It is trespasser monitoring. So in
Okay.
this, I have imported SMTP library, which is used to send the mail. So in
Okay.
this, we are passing three parameters. That is, in login, we are passing two parameters, sender and password, which we are logging into our user. And send mail, we are passing three parameters, sender and receiver and a message.
Yep.
So when I run this code, wait.
Yes, like this is a SMTP library
Yes, sir. SMTP protocol, sir.
which we use for I mean our AWS SES also for sending out.
Sir.
Yeah. So now
Sir,
the actual piece of code in terms of like if a buzzer input is coming into your particular, for example, let us say buzzer's input is coming in. Okay, like as a yes. Just run this code now, like the next line onwards.
Okay, sir. The PID sensor will give the inputs will take the inputs in form of binary, sir. Like if any motion is detected, it will give the high value, that is 1. So when it will give 1, just a minute, okay.
I think you need to restart the whole code. I think you need to restart. Okay.
Sir, the message sent successfully, sir. Like you can see the message here, sir.
I got it. The mail might have sent might when I'm like be there.
Yes, see, sir, here. The mail is sent like that alert trespassers is entered. So we can get alerted from there. So and after sending the mail, the buzzer automatically turns on, sir. We'll connect a motor so the buzzer automatically turns on. So you can get notification by two ways. On you can get message and they can hear the buzzer alarm also. So like this we can implement trespasser monitoring. So next we have weather monitoring. In this we are using two sensors, that is rainwater sensor and temperature sensor, sir. So whenever there is a rain starting, this import date time, this will take the actual time, like that running time right now, so that so that it records the time from when the rain gets started. So let me demonstrate that. Okay, so it will ask the user that does he want to know the rain information. If we proceed to yes, it will take the input from the sensor. So it will also be in the form of high input.
Okay.
See, sir, this is the current time.
Okay.
So this will get recorded in the database, and we can send this through mail, sir. Like from this time, it's raining. It started to rain. So for temperature, like if you want to know the temperature, the user should enter yes, and the sensor will take the input in form of degree Celsius. So like for example, if it is 29 degrees Celsius, it will tell that current temperature is 29 degrees Celsius and it is moderate.
Okay.
So that it can guess the like sun's brightness. So it can do whatever required thing you need to do. Next, soil humidity sensor. So as we know, humidity will be in the range of 0 to 45 degree. Above 45, the humidity is very high. Like
The water content will be
and you
more.
need to water the field. So okay, when the humidity is within the range,
I think okay.
I will get a message saying that humidity is in control.
So I just wanted
Yes,
to I
here
just
it
wanted
is. Is saying
Okay, so guys, I have actually pretty much any other code block you are having: soil, humidity done, temperature done, your what we say rain sensing done, and at the same time, the first one was regarding the passerbys. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
any other things you are having as a code block?
So as of now, these three modules code has
As
been
of now,
done.
we have only this much, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
Narendra, I'll carry on.
So we need
so you
to.
need to connect
Yeah.
all the hardware in place, and you need to just showcase it.
Yes, sir.
So that's the pretty much cool idea. But I just wanted to
Yes, sir.
ask you one small question as a like small what we say as a what is the end cost? I mean, like, what is the business model? How you are
Yes,
thinking
sir.
and this
Sir,
whole
in the business point of view,
Business model.
this, yeah, the whole thing comes into two modules. The two modules will be merged together. That is the field monitoring system and the yield platform, the yield update platform. So for the yield update platform, we have planned to create a website and
okay,
update all the yield informations.
okay,
So the field will be automated and kind of like almost
Uh,
90, 60 to 90% it will be automated, and it can also be overridden by manually by the farmers also. Coming to the business model, our Nikhil Shetty, our teammate Nikhil Shetty, he'll be explaining you, sir.
okay. Just guys, be quick, very quick. I
Yeah,
mean, like,
Nikhil,
I
please.
just already
Hello,
came.
hello, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, business model, there is a huge business model for this, sir. Like we thought we can actually collect all the data from the farmers, whatever we are having. So we can store it and we can show it to the farmers also. And alongside, we actually have the, like, we can create a clusters in some areas. Like we can create a clusters in some that village, and whenever the demand is high in some particular area, like in the other area, they can sell it to that area, like direct contact over there. And what is that actually means, like the middleman, whoever comes in this, he actually has a lot of profit for himself, sir. So we need to cut down that. So we thought we can have, whenever the people believes in the product, they will believe in all the products belonging to that. So when we create the like clusters and we create the website to this, so what happens is, like you are in the north side of India, and the some you wanted to order some grains from the south part of India, and you can actually go to our website and collect the data, whoever the farmers is, and you can just directly buy from that, and the whatever profit he is making, you are directly sending to him. So that is a whole idea over here. And
Okay.
and
You want like farmers as like traders together, and they can trade in together. That's what you want to, at the end of the day, put it as a kind of solution, right?
yes,
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
okay. So, okay, yes, so pretty much good idea, but I mean, like, I'm just having this whole platform. Like, end of the day, what you're doing is like you're providing technology, and you're providing like what we say, even a platform where the farmers can uh,
Yes, sir.
uh,
They can do their trading.
crops and all. So, okay, so this is a pretty much good platform, but end of the day, I just want to ask one question, which I mean, all the Indian like people who are building in agriculture have is like, what is the adaptability rate of this whole problem statement? If at all,
sir,
like, so,
we need to like teach the people. Like we can't like say that predict whatever is going to happen. Like we never knew that WhatsApp gonna be that the messaging era over here. So like that, we need to go to villages, we need to teach them, we need to knowledge them, we need to say you can predict whenever the rain is coming, whenever the crop is going to like grow, and whatever is going to happen, we need to go and like teach them, sir. So whenever that happens, like they will also be like once or twice they will try to analyze this. If we give some free products over there, and we explain that this is a thing.
okay.
uh,
Okay, so now my basic question is, this would take a huge amount of investment, very frank. Okay, I've been
yes, sir. Yes,
this
sir.
is going to be taking a huge amount of investment. So, do
Yes,
you,
sir.
I mean, like, you guys are very much serious about taking it as a kind of like occupation going forward?
Yes, sir. In the future, nearly future, when it goes, like we can, like today, we don't have any income from that. But whenever the market is going to grow huge and huge, we can actually advertise, and we can actually take the help of the government and localities, and also from the business side, like the from the customer side, we can have some money, and for small amount of money, whatever to be run over there, we can have that in the future, sir.
Okay.
We thought of that.
I have one final question right now, and we will end this whole pitch right now. So I have this question to Lalit Rahul.
Yes.
This question is, what would be the cost of that particular device, the clear passing device and the other devices, the everything collaborated? What will be that
Yes, sir.
cost? Will farmers be interested in investing in that? Just this one small answer. That's it.
Sir, approximately for the including the controllers and the sensors, it would cost us around below 5k, below 5,000 rupees.
Okay.
So if
And
we
we know
include our videos camera system and all those things, it can extend till 10,000 rupees.
Okay, got it. So that's what the cost is. And
Yes,
how
sir.
many percentage of like farmers would be interested at that price point? Do you think? What do you think so?
Sir, it is little difficult as we see the present situation. But if we educate them about the advantages of the systems, most of them will adapt, sir.
Okay, okay. Good presentation, guys. Good presentation. Thanks a lot for like joining in. So please wait for the results, and we'll be okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Now the next team goes in here by. Okay, so the next team whom we are having this one minute. Okay, so the next team is like CPY. What's it? CYP team. CYP. Okay, Charan Venkatesh. Just one minute. Charan Venkatesh. Oh, this, I mean, online hackathon, like it's like not easy. Okay, so many of you guys may be like fully waiting, boring. It may be like that, right? So at least if it is like offline, we can dance somewhere, something. Sir, I'm super tired. Someone is asking me, "Are you tired?" I'm like 100%, super tired. But it's fun. It's fun to see like what all you have done. So I can understand you may be like awake whole night and all. So yeah, I just want to make sure that you guys are getting opportunity to speak properly. Yep, Charan, let's go ahead. Charan.
Hi, sir. Very good evening to all.
Good evening.
This
I
is,
mean, are you having any other teammates?
yes, sir. Sunita, yeah, she will explain everything about our project and everything. And
Okay. Okay, Sunita, I think I just made you the what is the co-host. Please just check that, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Yep, go ahead. Go ahead, guys. I mean, you have. I'll just let me set my timer.
Okay, sir. I'm going to share my screen.
Okay. The timer started already.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, it's totally visible. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good evening to good evening, sir. First of all, my project is about it's women security device. If we see now, first,
Just one thing. Don't be kind of nervous. We all are like newbies to this world, okay? So whatever you say that is true, just please speak about it, okay? Whatever you thought about it, you have spent a lot of amount of time. Just start speaking about it. It's all okay. Clear?
yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Hmm.
If we see now, there is no security for women. In this you see in this lockdown also in North India side there one harassment happened. So for that we are going to implement already there are so many devices for women security like but in that they are using the RF like that. First, radio RF means radio frequency. In that radio frequency, first of all, if we see radio RF, in that more disadvantages is there. Like it's first, if we see cost RF in the cost also high, and radio frequency it will create some noises that and all. So the we what that's another. So here we are going to implement in our project GPS and GPS and GSM. So GSM means it's pulse rate. We are going to use here sensors. that GSM it will use. Sir, can I speak in Telugu?
Yeah, I mean, like, okay, fine. I mean, like, my other judges would not be able to hear you properly, but yes, okay, it's fine. I mean, like,
Okay,
demo,
sir.
the demo, show us something.
Okay, sir. See,
Okay, fine. Speak in Telugu. Okay, so like, okay, I mean, okay, I don't know. I'm doing all the judges who are invincible right now. They may be like 100% maybe scolding me in chat, but yep. So now, please, whatever it is, present the product. Present the product. What the product will do. What it is all about.
ఓకే సార్. మామూలుగా మనం చూసుకున్నట్టయితే ఇప్పుడు ఆండ్రాయిడ్ ఫోన్స్‌లో జీపీఎస్ అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తారు సార్.
Yes. Yep.
జీపీఎస్ యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు అవి ఆండ్రాయిడ్ మొబైల్స్‌కి మాత్రమే పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ మనం ఇప్పుడు లైక్ వాచ్ తీసుకున్నట్లయితే ఆ వాచ్‌లో ఇక్కడ మనం జీపీఎస్ అండ్ జీఎస్ఎం అనేటివి ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తాము. జీపీఎస్ ఓకే. జీఎస్ఎం వచ్చేసి ఏంటి అంటే పల్స్, ఇట్స్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ పల్సెస్ అన్నమాట. పల్స్‌ని బేస్ చేసుకొని కాబట్టి
Okay. Just go to the product diagram. Go to the product diagram. I just anywhere diagram is there something. Just go to it. Just wait 1 minute. Start Arduino. Read threshold values. Android that traces location by. I got this at mega board. Okay, fine. Just go to the diagram. That's the same flow chart.
this is the flow chart.
Yes, just 1 minute. Compare the threshold value. Just explain this thing right now first, fastly.
Okay, sir. Arduino, it's a
Yes, it's a kind of like what is IoT board which you have.
yes, sir. In that Arduino, we will implement that embedded code in that, sir. So in pulse rate, it will.
It will.
Pulse rate అనేది
Complete whatever it is. Just complete fast. Any other team member would like to try? Charan and or anyone else? I think she is kind of like nervous.
Yashwant, you will explain.
Yashwant, Yashwant, should I make you co-host in that? I have made Yashwant co-host. Yashwant, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, sir. My name is Yashwant, sir. Hello.
Yes, Yashwant, please go on.
Sir, అంటే మా ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఏంటంటే పల్స్ రేట్ బట్టి 1 minute.
Yes.
This is my first project, అందుకే.
Okay, this is the first time that I understand that, but yep, go ahead.
మా ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఏంటంటే మా పల్స్ రేట్ వల్ల చేంజెస్ వల్ల అదే పల్స్ రేట్ చేంజెస్ వల్ల జీపీఎస్ కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది సార్.
ఓకే.
ఆ వాల్యూ ఓకే ఆ డీవియేషన్స్ వల్ల మనకు అదే సంథింగ్ ఏంటంటే
పల్స్ రేట్ అనేది యూజ్ చేయడం వల్ల మనం ఇప్పుడు ఇది గర్ల్స్ ఎక్కువ నైట్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు సార్. సో గర్ల్స్ బయటికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఆ వాచ్ అనేది వేర్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు తనకి నార్మల్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ పల్స్ రేట్ వచ్చేసి 70 to 80 ఎక్కువ 70 to 80 ఉంటుంది. అలా కాకుండా నార్మల్గా హై 120 లైక్ 120 అలా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇది మెసేజ్ పంపిస్తుంది సార్. ఎలా అంటే మామూలుగా ఇప్పుడు మనం పరిగెత్తినప్పుడు రన్ చేసినప్పుడు కూడా మన పల్స్ రేట్ అనేది ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇంక్రీజ్ అప్పుడు అందరికి అప్పుడు మన దీన్ని నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేసేస్తారు. అలా నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయకుండా ఇందులో అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏంటంటే ఇన్ దట్ మనం ఒక స్విచ్ అనేది ఇస్తాం సార్. సో మనం పరిగెత్తేటప్పుడు ఆ స్విచ్ అనేది ఆఫ్ చేసుకుంటే
I got it right now. So I mean, you're just keeping one alarm like what you had one of the project here, like a band kind of thing. There we were like having the same questions. In your thing, it is the only difference is we'll be having one SOS switch whenever I'll go to a roller coaster ride, whenever I'll go to a giant wheel, whenever I'm going for a like some adventurous jumping and all. So that time
switch will off state.
That's what
switch in off state, sir.
Okay, so that's what, right? Clear. So now just show me, I mean, any kind of product development is done or like it's all theory?
It's all serious. Working on this project.
Okay, fine. Okay, then all
And
the
I
best.
have.
Yes.
Okay, something. That's it.
And I have.
Actually, yesterday only we started this project, sir.
It is all good, Babu. Like everyone was supposed to start yesterday only in.
So that we are feeling.
Good try, but yes, that SOS switch one again. I was thinking that when I was asking the same question to the other team. So it's good. I mean, good try which you have done. So, but the only thing is, please implement it and then see that thing. Okay, take it. That's it. All the best, guys.
And also improve your language, because you don't have to improve. That's why you don't have to enough present it means what is the use. We know that Telugu we can
Sir,
understand.
actually, I know you're fluent, very fluent English, sir. But I'm not at all prepared well for this project, sir. Yesterday, today, morning I returned my advanced exam, so that.
Done. Actually, I'm having a full wait list right now. I need to get it done. Okay, guys. Thanks a lot for like.
Okay, sir.
Yep. Okay, so now the next team which we are having is STONK, Stonks. I mean, like, okay, fine. So stop sharing. And okay, so all the people, like, you all can. Who is that? Stonks में कौन है यार? Stonks वाला like बंदा. Shoheb. Okay. This Shoheb is our Shoheb. SHOA. Shoheb. Make co-host. Gearhead Mohammed Azim. I mean Gearhead. Yes, just 1 minute. One more your friend said. Make co-host.
Sir, remaining how many teams are there?
We are having more 3 teams to present, I think. Okay.
Okay.
So I will just put Codex, Data Pirates, and Let's Upgrade Hack. So these are the teams which are there. But apart from that, if at all you are having any other team, if your team name is not mentioned up in this thing and you want the thing like dev scripters is one team which we are team hack overflow. Acha. Like any other teams are there, please let us know. We will mark it across. And but these are the teams which are there. But dev scripters is not. Women security is ready. I mean, like, अभी तक क्या कर रहे थे तुम लोग? Okay, ठीक है. Okay, done. Please let us know. We have Codex. Yes, Codex is there. Yes, Codex is there. Team Gearhead. ये कहाँ है? Okay, got it. So now I think we can go ahead, guys. We can go ahead. And other teams which are present here, please keep that in the chat. Oh, it's going to be more 10 teams. Okay, guys, by 7 we need to wrap this up. So let us now fasten it up. Okay.
Sure, sir. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. I'm from the Stonks team, and
Yep.
Shoaib is my mate. It's just the two of us. I'll be
Yep.
showing the PPT, and then Shoaib will be showing you the demonstration of the application product. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So is my screen visible?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Okay, sir. So basically, our project name is Order of the Day. Our theme is Challenges on Remote Work.
Okay.
Okay, so the problem we are facing nowadays is, you see, we have a lot of things to do in a day. Throughout the day, we have a lot of things to do, and it's Corona time, so everybody's staying at home. So we also have office work to do from home, and we also have homework which we have to do. And apart from that, we also have our personal things to do, right? So there's just a bunch of stuff that we have to do. And the first question that arises is, which one first? Like, all the things are equally important, and that messes the things up. So that's the problem statement. And our web application is basically Order of the Day. Yeah, that's the title. It helps you categorize things and or like place them in order according to your priority. Like you can make a category of home and then put things in it, like home mein first groceries, and then the cooking, and then washing, cleaning, and all. And then you can also make a category office and then put meetings and submissions according to your priorities. You can just like categorize them so it doesn't get mixed up. And the great thing about this is our application is you can use it anywhere. If you have a screen and internet connection, you can literally use it anywhere, on laptops, on phones, on TV screens. Nowadays you are having smart fridges, right? You can also use it on your smart fridge. Like you can just open it on the smart fridge recipe, and then you can just cook it right over there.
So show us
the
demo. Show us a demo, right?
Sure, sir. These are the few pictures of. Okay, right. Like we have tried it using on laptop, phone, iPad, TV. Shoaib will be showing you the proper demonstration. I'll be closing my screen sharing now. Shoaib.
Yeah, I'll be taking over now. Sai sir, I've sent you a link. So if you want, you can try it out right now. So this is the basic app. It's a prototype. We have to, with time, we'll upgrade it. So these are different categories. We can go to the category. So I can add things here, and if I've completed it, I can tick it off. And this happens with me a lot that I don't remember what to do. I'm just sitting around because I don't know what to do. So I can just open it anywhere I want, phone, laptop, TV पे open कर लिया, चलेगा यार. Okay, so I can add here personal projects, tic-tac-toe, and it'll update it everywhere. It's very quick. It'll update it. I'm using SQL Alchemy and Postgres, Flask Migrate, and I think one or two more libraries. And if I tick it here, refresh, it'll update it in the database. I can add as many as I want. There's LetsUpgrade here. I've attended your Python course, sir. So that was really nice. And so I've taken it off. I'm thinking of joining JavaScript. I'm thinking of joining JavaScript. So that's there. LetsUpgrade is here. I can add something here. Sai sir is great.
बस यार तू मेरे को मत लगा अभी तो मेरे हाथ में कुछ है नहीं जजिंग ठीक है जो है जजिंग वो सब नहीं है मुंह बंद करके बैठे हैं वहां पे ठीक है दे आर जजिंग एनोनिमस
ग्रेट है
ना वो भी ऐड करेंगे
यस सो लाइक उनका नाम अभी okay so now
so I can
this is the whole what we say your project is it hosted somewhere yes it is hosted somewhere and like I just now saw the link okay so yep it's based out of like what all you have used like Flask but Flask with the HTML part you have used it right
yes HTML CSS and JavaScript
okay just to do the DOM manipulations and all okay so yeah good project nice very simple और कुछ है इसके अंदर बताने के लिए अभी और What are the future?
काफी सिंपल है सर अगर अगर कोई इंटरेस्टेड है इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कर रहे या अगर किसी को कस्टमाइज चाहिए उनके यूज के हिसाब से उसके चेंज कर सकते हो उसमें कुछ भी चेंजेस ऐड कर सकते हो फॉर एग्जांपल हम लोग ईमेल एंट्री का सोच रहे थे यू नीड टू पुट योर ईमेल एंड देन यू विल गेट द एक्सेस सो एवरीबॉडी गेट्स देयर ओन पर्सनल प्राइवेट स्पेस काइंड ऑफ थिंग अपग्रेड्स ऑब्वियसली कर सकते हो उसमें अभी सिर्फ बेसिक वर्किंग है उसकी
okay done
I'm also using Migrate. It's kind of a version control software. So I can update it anytime I want. It will be safer than normally manually doing everything.
Just one small question, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's for fun. It's nice project. Okay, but how it is different from Microsoft To Do's or like Google Keep. Okay, so how it is different? I can give you a best example. Notion.so. Okay, the most favorite example what our whole team uses right now. So this is one. So just how it is fully different. I mean, just think about it. I mean, this is good project to have, but see, one more person is mentioning how it is different from Trello. Okay, so just think about these all things. Yes, it is there, but good, very nice approach, very good project. But just think about it. Okay, how is this whole thing unique? How is this whole thing unique in itself? Think about it.
Sir, we were thinking of giving authority to you. Suppose I'm a student of you. You can have the authority to add tasks inside my priority list sort of thing. So it has categories. I can give you access to categories and you can add whatever you want. So it'll be there. I can look at it whenever I want. Also, I was thinking of implementing, making it sort of an API or an embedding system sort of thing. So it can be integrated with other apps, which is not in a lot of other competitors.
See, I mean, currently, even yesterday night, how many had played the Treasure Hunt? Hey guys, how many of you have been a part of the Treasure Hunt yesterday night? What's the level you all guys are? Right? Tell me.
Sir, 7th level, sir. Stuck
at 7th level. Okay, so yeah, one of my no one had actually kept that thing and tried everything, but it's a so silly thing. I will tell you at the end of the hackathon. Okay, so I myself had made that whole treasure hunt wala stuff. So I know it very. Apart from me, no one else knows it in the whole stuff. Okay, so that was fully made with the help of Basecamp. Now Basecamp can do the same thing what you guys are doing here. So that's what one single thing what I meant, what I wanted to mention. So just think about it, guys. It's very good thing what you have implemented. Very amazing stuff. Think about it. The same thing, the same CRUD, using the same CRUD operations. How can you change someone's life? Think about it. Okay, so in next hackathon, we are going to have problem-centric hackathons. These problem-centric hackathons will be like making a medical record storing for a like what is the eye care center. This is going to be a 7-day long hackathon. Next 1 month afterwards, we are going to launch. Okay, so what the
Yes.
hackathon going to happen? So by that time, just prepare yourself. Like LetsUpgrade is going to have hackathons every month, guys. This is very clear. So now next month onwards, we are going to be have a very problem statement centric like hackathons for this thing. Okay, so yeah, just good work, guys, and best of luck. And let us see if it all is shortlisted for the like what we say final pitch. Yep, thank you. So now the next team is Titan. The next team is Titan. So Titans, who is that? Like from Titans, just please mention Titan Akshit. Okay, just 1 minute. Let me get Titan. Titan Vikram and Akshat are the two people. I think Vikram and I have just made you guys the co-hosts. So please go ahead and present your.
Yeah, hi guys.
Hi.
So yeah, it's like going late, so we will don't take much of your time. Yeah, we'll respect
Thank you.
you. Yeah, yeah. So
Could you please,
one of my
Akshat,
friend,
are you
yeah, Baba
presenting the screen? Are you presenting the screen, or will Pujata will present the screen?
One more person is there, Sujata.
Pujata,
Yeah, there are
Pujata.
4 persons.
Four of us.
Acha, Harshit Raj is also right.
Harshita Raj, yeah. All right. So the basic problem, first of all, let me introduce myself and my teammates to you. I am Vikram, and my teammates are Akshit, Pujata, and Harshita. And we are we have chosen the topic of COVID-19 with a smart mass distribution. All right. So as we know, Pujata, can you scroll onto the next screen? Yeah. So as we know, during this COVID times, the distribution of masks is just random and haphazard. Okay, wherever people like the masks are produced in bunch, and the logistics are just going everywhere without any specific data, without any specific metrics. Like we all know that Maharashtra, Bangalore, and like Uttar Pradesh, they are the most affected sites, and they are the most. These are the states with most population, with the highest amount of population, and so they need major amounts of masks. But right now, like I'm in Uttar Pradesh, I know the thing that there are not enough masks to feed in a one city, let alone the whole of Uttar Pradesh, right? So what we have done is we have made an application in which we have taken data from the APIs about how much each state in India is affected, with the least affected and the most affected. The most affected ones will help the manufacturing and the logistics company to generate more mass in that area and to provide more mass respectively, right? And for the least amount, with the less affected area, we have less manufactured mass, and the logistics will operate slow. All right. So yeah, though it's
So
all
the basic
obviously.
idea is like to calculate to see like get from the API get the active cases of the every state, and according to that active cases at that particular time when we are when we are all deploying our masks and all and sending like which states need the most masks. So according to that we will send the masks.
Yeah, so
So
our vision, like we are not a business, we are not going into that business thing, that we are not a business model, but the thing is open source and just for the society kind of thing. All right,
So
and
for the tech
we just
stack,
want to help.
yeah, the front end is built in React. The all in React. We have used a UI library called Material UI, and for the deployment, we have done it on Firebase.
Okay. So just show the demo, right, please?
Yeah.
Let
Akshat, could you
let me
please,
show you. Yes, yes,
Sujata, can
yes.
you stop sharing your screen? So Akshat could share that.
Just a second.
Hey, you all guys are recording this Zoom chat, right? It's actually live on what is it, YouTube. You can find it across there.
Great.
So yeah, we have made it deployed. So yeah, this is our app.
Yeah,
So
this is
these are like currently active cases, recovered cases, and all that.
this,
And like the higher authority, like they are saying like we have 1 lakh masks. So we can enter like 1 lakh.
okay. Just
And
one.
according to their
Yeah, Sai, please go
Yes,
ahead.
I is able to hear me. Yep, okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
sure, sure.
this is this data is coming from which API?
This is COVID-19 something.
Which API is this? That's what is the big.
Let me just a second.
Because I actually know pretty couple of them these APIs, which is like deprecated in.
Yeah, like there are a lot of APIs in the market
Yeah,
right
it is
now
one of
on
them,
the
I think.
website.
It is one
Yeah,
of them
like
only.
I have to try like every one, like some are working and some are not working also.
This one is, I think, deprecated. Just please look into the data, right? Currently, we are sitting on more than 50 lakh, near about 50 lakh cases. Okay, and this one is showing only 9 lakh cases, somewhere around. See, check.
Yeah, this is it was written like this API is also used by COVID-19.org. Like there is an official one and unofficial one. Unofficial one, like the cases which are like little bit which are have to be confirmed by the authorities.
Yeah, it's
But
just a static
let's
idea. It's just
understand,
the
right?
idea that we have used an API. Like
Yeah.
we can go into that all the technical like I know these are
Yeah,
not the exact number of cases. We can change that, I know. But this is the whole like on a very
the
myopic level,
representation, like
it's the
how it
idea.
will
Yeah,
look
it's
like.
just a myopic level
Yeah.
idea on a very low resolution. Yeah.
Okay.
So the manufacturers can provide the number of masks they are producing, and then they can the data will show of which state needs more and which state needs less, and so do the logistics companies can provide the mask to respective states.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what the whole project is all about.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
that's pretty much all about.
Okay. So how much time did it took to like fully build it end to end?
What is it, like less than 4 to 5 hours?
Okay. And what was the full like? Okay, how are you calculating the ratio? Like how many number of active cases is to how many number of masks which we
So
need to
so we
keep?
can calculate like total number of active cases
Hmm.
and active cases of a particular state. So we can make a ratio like how many active cases to the total active cases multiply by the total number of masks available.
Okay. So this algorithm needs to have a kind of like small check, guys, because see sometimes what happens, like whether it can be a small like a big city, large city like Raipur, okay, which has so less number of cases, but the cities itself is huge, okay, huge number of densities there. So there the mass which are required will be even more, right? But the
But
ratio
see, our plan is like the more the cases there are, so the more it will be spreading.
the
So
more
the more precaution,
The more cases, the
more
more
the
cases
cases,
are,
the more precaution we
the
need
more
to take,
precaution
right?
you have to take.
it's like very simple thing, right? I mean, like, see, even if there are no cases in Kerala, Wayanad kind of city, but still there, I mean, precautions are like very much strict. Okay, so this one like logic which we are thinking regarding the whole basis, this is the backbone of our whole project. That is like, yeah, regardless of like COVID is there, not there. I still remember. I mean, like my own mom dad stay in a very remote place somewhere. Okay, so there also like the all government officials are making sure like okay, social distancing, this, that, and everything. Okay, so this is the part. Just think about it one more time. I mean, like I'm not saying that you're wrong. I'm just simply saying that how it would fit in the very remote town where the like what is the cases are less, but what we say the density is more. So how it would fit
So
in there? Just think
Yeah,
about
no,
it.
we
the
can.
thing is like it doesn't matter, right? Like suppose you are in a place where the population density is more, but the cases are less. All right. So obviously the precautions we need to take in a city with more number of cases would be obviously less would be obviously more than we need the precautions we need to take in a city where there are less cases, right? And second thing is, um, this data is for the manufacturer, so that the number of masks they are manufacturing and the logistics they are applying to, so that's not miscalculated. All right, like if there is a, suppose there is Raipur, okay, Raipur has less cases. What is the point of providing like 1 lakh, 50,000 of the mask from 1 lakh to Raipur, and Maharashtra, suppose Mumbai, there it has more cases. So and the 50,000 of mass to Mumbai, right? You get my point, because you are just distributing equal mass, but there is difference between the number of cases.
Okay, now just one small final question right now.
Okay.
Think about it. Okay, I just don't need to answer it right now. Just think about it. Okay, so it is like, how many places do you think there is a now scarcity of masks in India? Okay, just think about this one. How many cities or how many villages or how many places in India right now we think that I mean, like, there is a scarcity of masks. Okay, because whether it be a village, whether it be anywhere, like COVID-19 has been a so much big stunt, like a marketing stunt
There
in.
is no scarcity, like the mask are like, we like people are using in villages or something, like they are
The point is
disposable masks and people are
yeah.
using like it again and again, so we should need a new mask like every day, but we are not doing that.
Like everyone
and
can't afford the
also and
300
also
rupees
like
mask
we
and
are
500 rupees
also
mask.
want to extend it, like to add a one more page to show, like to people to show like how they can make their own mask, and there are some videos on YouTube if we want to like
Yeah,
put
we
their
are going
link
to link that
in
too in this application. And secondly, like that everyone can't afford the 300 or 200 rupees mask. Most of us, we will go for 5 or 10 rupees mask, right, a 15 rupees mask, and these are all disposable ones, all right. So the point being, these are also manufactured in a very large quantity. So this all data goes to the manufacturers who are manufacturing these masks in a very large quantity. So this is all
Just
due to
think,
that.
just literally think about it one more time. I'm being very frank to you. It's like not.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm like not trying to like what we say,
Yeah,
make you.
sure, man. Sure, go on.
So it is all about like one thing which I'm putting in front of you. Like, see, what's the demand of this project outside? Just think. Let us think about it. Okay, so if at all any manufacturers are ready to use this product, end of the day. So if there are, then it's like amazing product. If they are not ready to, I mean, like if they're not seeing any kind of viability to use this, so then what's the whole point of making it? Just
It's all on, I think it's all on the convincing part, because like when we opened your website and we went through we skimmed through the list of topics we can make projects are. So we got this smart mass distribution, and we thought of it like this could be a good idea. I know, man, the big manufacturers and wholesalers, they उनको क्या ही फर्क पड़ेगा, 5-10 रुपए इनका इतना हो जाए, but the जहाँ efficiency जहाँ आ जाता है, जहाँ you get efficient, you can save some money, you can make yourself smart, so why don't go for it, right?
Yes, I'll just give you the same system which you are having right now. Can
Mhm.
you, as a small suggestion, can you replace it for like a vaccine distribution? That would be helpful. That would be amazingly helpful. Okay, like
Mm,
Pfizer is one of
yeah,
the.
yeah, that's a good suggestion, man. That we can, like, if we can do
yeah.
that, it's like it's going to be
Think
hell,
about it,
like
because
fire.
I mean, like, just read about all the challenges which COVID-19 vaccine distribution has. It has to be stored in some other different kind of like it needs a cold chain. It doesn't need a supply chain. It needs a cold chain. Cold chain is a subset of what currently the things are available in logistics. So can we use this software to help with the cold chain part? Just think about it. I mean, it's amazing idea if you can blend it together. Not only for
Yeah, yeah, sure.
but even
Yeah, sure, we will think.
keeping it for like as a what we say, even like if at all you're like about to submit the final version of this whole project, then you like for the, if you are selected for the judging round, okay, the final judging round, so then 100% there, if at all you can mention this what vaccine wala case study, it would be great for your team.
So do you
Okay,
want us to make the revamp all of this and go for that vaccine thing rather than this mask thing?
that would add on like tons of value to this project. I'm just,
Yeah, but the timeline was 5:30 and it's 6:20.
I know that the timelines will not support this whole thing, but
Yeah.
instead of masks are like this is the way, this is the distribution which we have thought about like masks, but the same distribution can be used for like vaccine
Yeah,
distribution.
true. Number of, yeah, we can edit the number of vaccine, number of masks, and then we can just edit it with number of vaccines, right, on the application part.
I mean, it's
Yeah,
not easy. Think about it. See one
yeah,
two videos, you will get that. Okay.
yeah.
Chalo.
Okay, thank you
All the
so much.
all the best.
Yeah,
So now
thanks, man.
next team is women security. Now we need to like get literally fast on this, and I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so now Prasad, would you like to like interact?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, so the next
Just the previous team's name was Titans, right?
yes, Titans. Any like the next team is what we say. The next team is women security. Who is there from women security? Women security, women security, women security, women security is the team name itself. So next, women security. Who is from women security? Please message us in the chat. Then afterwards, we are having Gearhead. Gearhead is the upcoming team after that. So who is from women security? Are you there here or Hema sir? Okay, Hema, you are there from women security. Just 1 minute. Let me unmute you. Make co-host. So yes, Hema, please unmute yourself and start the presentation. Let's follow the timer strictly.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes, go ahead. Okay, go ahead.
Good evening, Ananda. Sir, I will say in Telugu, sir.
Okay, but our judges are from mostly Hindi background. They will not understand.
Okay, sir. I will try to English only, sir.
Yeah.
In before 2 projects, we saw the human safety, sir. Now
Yeah.
I am coming to direct topic. This is our block diagram. In this, we will use the three sensors: alcohol sensor, sound sensor, pulse sensor, panic switch, and GSM and GPS buzzer, shock device, and LCD. Now I am saying about the block diagram and working of our project. When the power supply is on, alcohol detects, it sends the authorized person to the message, sir. When alcohol is not detected, it will not send the message, sir. And sound sensor also, uh, sound sensor is detected, it sends the alert messages to authorized person, otherwise it will not send the message, sir. Panic switch, panic sensor also like that, sir. In this we will use the sorry sir, pulse sensor also use like that. Panic switch, the panic switch main use is, in this we can use the certain time. If we are traveling, we will reach the 1 hour to destiny, we'll certain time, we'll reach the destiny, we can switch off the, sir. Otherwise will not off the buzzer, it will send the alert messages to the authorized person, sir.
Okay. Okay, that's it. I mean, like you.
Yes, sir. This is our block diagram.
Okay, next. Next, I mean, like, are you having any kind of like? Okay, so you guys are okay. So see, fine. So who all are there in your team?
Mallikarjun, sir.
Okay. Okay. So yes, now okay. I just don't have any other questions remaining left for this. So you have why are you using alcohol sensor here?
In some cases, in dark places, some guys will drink, no, sir, alcohol. In that situation, the woman cannot detect, no, sir. Like that, we can use.
Very good. Okay, I'll give the lastly. I'll just give all the suggestions together. Fine. So no worries. I think you're way ahead than your 3 minutes. Yep. 30 minutes, 30 seconds are more remaining. So yeah, good presentation, like directly to the point and all. But the only suggestion which I would give is next time whenever you go to a hackathon, just make this thing on the spot and show it. Okay. And
Okay.
like now don't say that's because of COVID-19 the things were not available with me. Don't say that thing. It's just simply that if you show then it's a different thing. And one more thing, how is this alcohol detector is going to, let's see, for like alcohol detection I need to blow in that that what we say, that particular like what is sensor, I like to like breathe out into that sensor. How is this going to, like some other one is like actually have alcohol, why I require, the alcohol sensor. Let me just, okay, fine. So think about it, how this can be utilized at the end of the day. So will it be a full utility, yes or no? Just think about it. The answer which you gave was okay, but that can be like fully, if I smell someone, I can get that thing, right? My human senses are even more good than that alcohol sensor. So why I would be requiring an alcohol sensor? Just think about it. So if alcohol sensor is there, then the if alcohol sensor is there and my heartbeat races, then what we say, the chances of this racing an alarm will increase, something like that.
Yes, sir. It will send the message.
Okay, fine. So thank you, Hema. Thanks a lot for
Thank you,
presenting.
sir. Thank
Very
you,
nice
sir.
presentation. So now the next team is like Gearhead. Okay, now the next team is Gearhead. Now Gearhead, who is the team members from Gearhead? Okay, Aditya Lahiri. Just one minute. Let me just make you the co-host. Mohammed. Hey, Mohammed. Mohammed Azim is here. Okay, guys. So now you both guys, Vikas Yadav to area and Vikas. Vikas, okay. So who all are your team members? Get ahead.
I am the team lead, Aditya Lahari, and Mohammad Azim and Vikas Yadav are my teammates. So Mohammed will be presenting the slides.
Vikas, which Vikas? Vikas Yadav. We are
Vikas
having
Yadav, yeah.
Okay, just one minute. We are having two Vikas Yadavs. Okay, just done one Vikas Yadav. So please unmute
The one
yourself.
with the car photo.
Car photo?
Yeah, actually, like I am using both my laptop as well as a mobile.
Okay, got it.
Basically, like laptop doesn't have the audio device, so that's okay.
Let's go ahead. Yep. Who's presenting this?
Yeah, Mohammed, please continue.
Aditya, start.
Okay, I'll start.
Yeah, you start.
So our project is about predictive maintenance.
Okay.
So basically, in industries, the components that are being used in the industries are being replaced or switched according to the KPIs that are being used, or they are being replaced on a periodic basis. So
Okay.
Mohammed here, our friend, is from that industry only. So that's why he'll present how things are happening in industry and how we can change this by using predictive maintenance and using machine learning, and how these processes can be made better. So
Yeah.
Mohammed, please continue.
Yeah,
Thanks.
a great good evening to everyone. So as we walk through the team members Aditya, Mohammed, and Vikas, so we have chosen the AI and data science and analytics the theme. So just we'll quickly jump into what the concept is. So basically, now what the industry earlier followed. So we need to understand the domain first to resolve the problem. So it was a reactive maintenance which earlier happened. So wherein the maintenance will only happen only when the machine or component break down. So you can imagine the amount of time it goes into repair work. So first the machine will break down and then you will react to that thing. So it might happen that your inventory, your parts might not be available at time on time in the inventory. So the logistic parts gets a lot of difficulty to maintain the logistics parts, because if inventory is not there, you have to order that part will come from other state or something. So the scale of this thing is very huge. So the company cannot invest time, because time is money for the company. So company, they want the right solution at the right time. So they, and one more aspect of the proactive maintenance, in the proactive maintenance which we follow today, is the preventive maintenance. What happens, see, I'm from I worked in the Toyota industry for a year. So there they carry out TBM cards, that is time based maintenance cards. That's,
yeah.
You will have something, assume a belt drive. So manufacturer will tell you that it will run for 10,000 cycles. So it may happen that for your process it might run for 20,000 or 80,000. So you don't know. But according to the manufacturer's description, what you will do, you will change it beforehand. So this is a loss to the company. So company, so the revenue is also not generated from that point. So what you're doing here is you're replacing the components too early. So what the good solution with the use of machine learning is that just in time, this is one concept of Toyota production system, TPS, just in time. So what you are doing with the predictive maintenance is that you are giving a just in time notification for the manufacturers to replace some component or machine. And what will happen is that there will be assume this girl, she'll be managing the software, which monitoring software. So if at all there is any spike in the graph which beyond the threshold limits, so she will get to know that something might be problematic with the machine or component. So what she'll do, she will inform the higher authorities, and they will prepare for the solution if at all that is required. And there the domain expert will come, and they will at least get to know the machine if at all that will go to fail or not. So the problem statement which we are solving is that as I told you, that we need a solution at the right time. So the goal of the predictive maintenance is to optimize the balance between the corrective and the preventive maintenance. So what these are the applications. So this application is not only to the manufacturing industry or any particular industry. This can go beyond. Assume we own cars. Nowadays we have cars that will predict something, that your some component will fail. So go for a checkup. Engine is showing this kind of error. So go for a checkup. So this kind of thing not only helps the manufacturer in getting the good customer satisfaction, but also one aspect of warranty claims is the very critical thing for the companies. They want to give the customers a warranty. So for that they need the data to give how much amount of time they need to give the warranty. Assume a laptop, 1 year is the maximum we get, but MSI and other companies, they give 2 years. So they know the product very well, because they know it because from the users data. So this in here we are using the data from the IoT from the machines. So our main objective is to tell or predict the machine component will fail within 24 hours. That is the time period we have chosen, but you can choose anything. So within 24 hours or not. If that is going to happen, then you replace the component, or you check at least the machine or any component. So that will give the solution right on time. So it will avoid unavoidable unscheduled maintenance. That is the critical aspect in the manufacturing industry. If you ask me, unscheduled maintenance costs a lot to the companies, because assume a part has to come from the Japan, then it takes a lot of amount of time. You cannot invest time into switching off the production line. That costs huge to the company. So this is where the solution of machine learning and ML algorithms comes in. So the data collected from each machines with the history of their failure and all the other records are trained upon to predict something which is useful for the company, and it generates a proper revenue for them. And the technology.
Azim, can you just speed up, fasten up, and show the demo?
Yes, the technology is like, we use machine learning, Python, Google, and Colab and Tableau, everything. And Aditya will explain you about the part we have done, and what is remaining, and everything about the coding and part.
Enough, like we are already overshooted 5 minutes.
Yeah, Aditya. Yeah, just
Yeah, so we had the data from the Microsoft Azure portal, because we cannot get the data for industrial data, like we searched it on Kaggle and all, but we didn't get it. So we get it from the Microsoft Azure platform. So main things here were like there were error data sets and failure data sets in the machines, and their telemetry data sets, like what voltage pressure at a particular time is being set. So Vikas, can you share a screen of the code that I have written, or
Yeah, I'll
Mohammed?
share.
So what we were doing is, we first had the data, so we have to convert it into a form where where our machine learning algorithm can process it.
Yep.
Okay, so the data size was very big. It was like about like 8 lakh rows,
Wow.
and the failure components were very less. Like in an industry where you are using a component, failure will come very less. So we had the issues of class imbalance, how we are going to merge the files, how we are going to aggregate the files so that class imbalance goes. So what we did here was, we first got our all files, as you can see. We got
So
through
you
the
want me to
telemetry.
share?
These are the
Sorry,
feature
Aditya.
engineering part. Mohammed, can you go down?
Yeah, should I share the README itself? That will be good here.
Yeah, you can go through the code only.
A code, okay. Yeah.
Last.
So yeah, this is a telemetry data. Here we are first plotting the graphs, how the telemetry, the voltage pressure and all things are changing. The error data set, how what errors are coming while the process is going on. So first we have seen through visualizations what things are changing, and then we are going through the feature engineering part. Wait, yeah, here comes the feature engineering. So in wait, Mohammed, yeah. So in the telemetry data, where we had our voltage, rotation, pressure, vibration. So in this, what we did was, because the data was too much, there were 8 lakh rows, so we have to aggregate it.
Yep.
So we aggregated the data based on 3 hours.
Okay.
Okay. So then with we also then calculated the our aggregation on the basis of rolling window of 24 hours, and then aggregated it into 3 hours window. So these aggregations were taken so that our data also gets less, and we have aggregated data points so we can get more information out of it. Because if we do 8 lakh rows, there will be much of a class imbalance, and our model will perform very poorly,
Yep. So
and it
what?
will take time. Yeah.
What's the number of rows which you got out of that whole thing?
After this, it was like 2 lakh rows something.
Okay.
So
Okay.
then comes the error part. So here we are using the errors. There were 4 or 5 types of errors. So we are first converting them into classes. Then for a certain time period, for a certain time, like first time period only when it's 7 a.m. or p.m., there can be more than 2 errors or 3 errors. So we are calculating them, and then can you move forward?
Yeah.
We are combining for an hour the same process that is going on. Okay.
Okay.
Go on, go on. Then comes our error ID. Yeah, you can go on. Error is done, you can go on. Yeah, if then comes a replacement. We are also replacing the components side by side in the industry. Okay, so how we can use a component failure, like what the component we are replacing, how we can use it? Because simply giving that the component is changing to a machine will not do anything. So what we did was we calculated the time difference,
Yep.
that when the components are changing and how much difference is there when the components has been changed. So
And this is
this gave us the time difference, which was very essential for the machines to calculate. Otherwise, we cannot take the date time column in our machine learning model. So we had to do something for that. So for that, we took the machine time difference in these components where the components were being changed. So rest was like we had our data. After merging all the files, we had our combined data, which had less of a class imbalance. Still, there was class imbalance, but much less.
But it shows 3 lakh lines, right? 3 lakh rows.
Yeah,
2
3
lakh
lakh. Yeah,
90.
2
2
lakh
lakh
90.
90.
Yeah.
Yep.
So
Okay.
then we go on for merging our files, the component files. That was the telemetry data, I must tell you.
Okay.
Then we go on for merging our files with the errors files that we created, the component files that we created. The data set will get low, and this is compact data, because
Okay.
we are not using deep learning that we can provide too much of our data, and due to class imbalance, that will also not work. We were
Yep.
sure about that. So after that, our main label is failure. What failure will come in the end?
Hmm.
Okay, so that was also a simple feature engineering where we just using the label failures and filling the null values with the none column. Then in our modeling process here, where we had some problem, because as the data was too large and we had only Colab for it, because our laptops were not like powered
GPU.
enough to handle this much of a data. So we were using Colab, but we were
But
using gradient descent for that.
okay. So
Gradient models, gradient boosting classifiers.
let's go to the end, right? We are about to the end, right?
Yeah,
We are
yeah.
near
So
about to the end, right?
main thing about our concept is that right now, like Mohammed also told me that where he was working, they were using KPIs. Like if
Hmm.
the voltage pressure goes little bit up, so they'll be changing. There's no way that that a machine can tell, yeah, that there is no problem. It was just so here we are predicting stuff, and it can help a lot in
Okay.
like periodic replacements. These things can be changed in the industry.
Okay.
So
So
we are also, yeah.
what's the accuracy level that you guys are up to?
So yeah, that's the problem that I told you, that we were like processing the model, but it's taking a lot of time.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
actually, data
We
aggregation
need,
and feature
yeah,
engineering took a lot of time, if you ask. That
and we
was
need
the
some resources so that our model can run on that. We were also thinking of doing the LSTM, but we thought first go through the normal machine learning, because that would take a more heck lot of a time for the Colab too.
This is a good work. I mean, this is a good work. I mean, how much? I mean, like last 24 hours, you guys are working, right? Continuously.
Yeah, continuously.
I
Okay.
mean, simultaneously we have to do PPT, this and that and that.
Yeah, Mohammed has helped a lot in PPT and stuff, because he's already
And
like
coding
had,
also, yeah.
he has the experience in this field. So yeah, that was a lot of help.
Good job. Good job. Good job, guys. So, yep. Now, just hope for the final results.
Yeah, if we get the opportunity, if you guys can provide the resources, we like would want to go ahead with the model training and all, and we can use the LSTM part to like deep learning and all that could also be an option. Thank
Yep.
you very much.
Thank you a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Sai.
Yeah, and there's already a service. Yeah, automate labs. So that kind of service you can start to provide, because industries are up to, they're using, because now cost cutting is the, after pandemic, cost cutting is the major thing they are thinking. So you cannot go every time with the human resource and everything. So these are the places where hidden cost cutting you can benefit out of that.
No,
So
no, I
these
just
are the field where companies are trying to invest.
Yes, Sai.
so yes, I like the one part where full end to end, that is like based upon the vibrations created. We guys are like predicting that okay, if something is going to be like go wrong with this whole component, yes or no. So that whole part is like itself a different level. So yeah, good, nice.
Yeah, there can be binary classification too. We didn't use the binary classification, otherwise you could have used the binary classification rather than doing the multi-class classification.
Yep. Yep. So I mean, like currently, okay, once the model has been deployed, like fully model has been built, so we'll be deploying it on like Azure or AWS as mentioned up here, right?
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
You can even, as Mohammed mentioned, in cars there is something like Mohammed, as you mentioned, in cars you can use some dashboard or something where you can get the data of the
Diagnostic
car.
trouble codes, that is DTCs, that is known as a com.
So you
Their
can get the
records
data
of
from
the
your cars
health.
too.
Yes. Yep. I mean, the application is vast. The concept
Yeah,
that can be
application is vast.
applied to many industry, and this particular solution which I have shown is for the particular data set. So
Yeah.
you cannot imply this solution and tell that it will work for every industry, because they will have their own features, they will have their own parameters. So that comes from the industry, but the concept which is here, that can be applied to every industry. That is the most important thing here. So if you're running a service with this, then you need to understand the domain, so that will take up a domain expertise. But upon the data and the domain knowledge, then you can build something like this.
Yes.
And this is pretty much scalable, and it is very much into the domain right now in the development.
Yeah.
So thanks a lot for like
Thank you,
presenting up
Sai.
right now. So now we can
Thanks a lot.
Thank
I
you.
think
Thank you for
time is the
thank you for
constraint.
giving us the time, Sai.
Time is the constraint. Yeah, right? We can
Yeah.
understand.
Thank you, Sai.
Thanks a lot.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Yeah. So now the next team. Okay, so let's go ahead.
How many teams are there?
How many teams are there? Like now, next team is like Codex. Codex. Let's
Sir, how
upgrade.
many teams? The time is going up.
I know that thing. Your judges, like what time they're about to start?
7, 10.
Good. Okay, we have like very.
They told.
Okay, Codex. I mean, who is the from Codex? Codex, guys. Shubham.
Just ask them to only show the working model.
Yes. Guys, directly come to the working model and let's go ahead. Okay, Shubham and anyone else. Shubham, you can unmute yourself.
Okay, sir.
Hi, Shubham.
Sir, first, good afternoon. I've been here the whole time, and just to say that I have only prepared the presentation and a bit of development part.
Yep, just share your screen.
Am I glitching? Is my camera glitching here?
It's fine. I mean, like, share your screen and let's go ahead.
Okay. So, just let me open my presentation.
Yeah. Any you are having any other team members?
Yes, so they might be here. Their names are Kritika Jain, Vaibhav, and Anshul maybe. If they have joined, then you can unmute them.
Okay, three. No,
Kritika Jain, Vaibhav Verma, and Anshul.
No, they're not there.
Okay, sir. So just let me present.
Okay.
Share. How to start this presentation?
After this, guys, we are having let's upgrade hack overflow, then data pirates, dev scripts.
Slide.
Dev scripts, and one more team was there. Narayana Rocks. Narayana Rocks? Okay, fine.
Sir, I can just show you from like this here.
Yes,
I
yes.
think my laptop is so slow right now. Okay. So good afternoon and everyone. My name is Shubham and I'm from Delhi. I'm basically in third year BTech student.
Yep.
My project is about the integrated health services, and the name of my application is Bloom. My team members are so you can just let me just show this everyone. So what are integrated health services? Integrated health systems, according to the World WHO 2017, are the organization and the management of health services so that people get the care they need whenever they need it in ways that are user friendly and achieve the desired results and provide value for money, which is very important in our daily aspect.
Let's get
This
to
is a
the,
very important
sorry Shubham for like interrupting. Let's get to the product directly. Yeah.
Sir, I can
Just
show
show
you
me.
some screenshots right here
Yep.
of
Just
the
show it. Yes.
Sir, I can tell you a bit more about my app. It is basically a health and fitness app. It computes a user's data to give them a personalized experience and provide them with it calculates their activity tracking, sleep analysis, heart rate tracking, and basically give them a general feedback about how their health is, and also it takes some basic basic meal info, like what their daily meal intake is from, what are their daily calorie intake, and if the if the user says if like if I ask key I have basically carbohydrates, a bit of protein, and just some pulses, something we are going to give them a menu type, and from just they are going to tick options, and at the end we will calculate the average calorie intake that they get, uh, which we can later use to give them the detailed summary about their present health scenario, or if they and we also ask for the user's uh, uh, basic parameters to calculate the BMI, and from all of this, if the BMI or any other health aspect falls under some category, we give the user uh, some choices to follow, like some workout routines that they should follow to increase their chances to better not be prone to some chronic disease in the future.
Okay. So now I mean like okay. So just go around your whole mobile
Sir,
app.
the app is in my mobile. Let me just connect it from my mobile. I can show it from here.
Just do it fastly, right? I mean,
Okay.
if you take
Yeah, sir.
our judges are about to join and they're yet to be done.
Team link. Call over internet.
The time is about to
Sir,
end. 1 minute 30 seconds remaining for you.
excuse me, sir. Sir, I have also joined from my phone.
Yep. What's your name there?
Sir, it's the same name, Shubham Singh, with the share. You cannot start the presentation. Okay, share.
You
Chala,
just
I have to stop
stop the screen share of your PC and share it from
pause
there.
screen. Stop share. Okay.
Yep.
screen. Don't show me start now.
Yeah, now you're able to see that.
So sir, I basically am I audible? किथे गया?
Yes, you're audible. You're
Okay.
audible. Go ahead with your screen.
यार इधर रखा था. Here. So sir, as you can see, here are some parameters that I have used to. These are some workout routines that we give the user to follow, and I have basically logged in with my own name. If you are gonna logged in, then you can see the presentation, how it's gonna look, the login page. We have basically developed the app for Android, and the APIs that I have used are Google Fit API. So the most actually they are the most comfortable to work with, as it has it has got the user data centralized in the Google Fit. If the user is changing over to any other apps in the future, then they can track their previous history and uh, their overall conditions. And sir, the future scope of my project is to make it more personalized and more user friendly, and add some more features like uh, sir, I just have to cut the implementation cost. The implementation cost, like तो हिंदी में बोलूं चलेगा, जल्दी से खत्म हो जाएगा actually.
बोलो जल्दी बोलो.
ओके. तो सर इस ऐप के अंदर मतलब सारी चीजें मेरे को 3-4 चीजें मैंने ये डाले हैं, जैसे कि वेट ट्रैक, प्रोग्राम, बॉडी ट्रैक, स्लीप एनालिसिस, ये सारी चीजें एक फाइनल एक यूजर को ना एक जनरल रिपोर्ट तैयार करके देंगी जो डिटेल्ड होगी. और एज सच, क्योंकि हमें अपनी प्रेजेंट हेल्थ कंडीशन के बारे में नॉर्मली पता नहीं होता जब भी हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. और इट ऑल्सो, और वहाँ पर लाइन होती है, तुम्हें अपॉइंटमेंट लेना होता है, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. तो इन सब चीजों को हटाने के लिए हम ऑलरेडी डिटेल समरी तैयार करके रखेंगे, डिटेल रिपोर्ट, जो हम आगे आगे आने वाले टाइम मतलब फ्यूचर स्कोप में डॉक्टर के साथ जब कोलैब करेंगे तो उसके पास ऑलरेडी पेशेंट की डिटेल होगी, और वो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली उसे सेल्फ डायग्नोस खुद चेक करके अप्रूव करके उस डिटेल में ऐड ऑन कर सकता है, और अपने हिसाब से उसे फिर आगे डायग्नोस करके अपना टाइम बचा सकता है, और इससे कॉस्ट भी बचेगी. बस ये चीज थी.
Done. Your time is up,
Okay,
and now
okay,
I
sir.
hope that I got your whole project. No more questions. Actually, I need to move on. I got your whole concept. Don't worry, I got your whole concept. Now the
Okay,
next
sir.
team. Let's go ahead. Stop sharing your screen, Babu. So yeah, now the next team, because my judges are waiting out in the other place, so I need to get this thing done. And let's upgrade hack. Let's upgrade hack. So yeah, so let's upgrade hack is okay.
Sir, I try to just see the working models. That's
Yes. We are like, okay, guys. Now you have to just present the working models. Nothing apart from that.
If their working models are not there, means
That's it. Don't when like
yes.
show something. Talk for 3 minutes. Oh. So yes, now I've shared you the co-host, guys. Just go ahead, present your product ASAP. Good job, Shubham. Good job. It was very nice
Sir, I can
presentation. Sorry, I'm in the time limit. Yep. I've shared it. Bisrupt and Praneet. Praneet, you are already co-host. Please unmute yourself. And
Sir, I can invite.
no, don't invite judges as of right now. Hold them. I have already messaged them. Hold it.
Like half an hour before, I will be just, if I inform me 7:30, they will be ready.
So,
or 7:15, 7:20.
I've already messaged them to check the group. Okay, guys. Now, what we say? Hey, please present your share your screen, guys.
Bishrut, you will share.
Bisruth. Okay, Bisruth.
Hello, everyone. I'm Bishrut Pine. I'm 12 years old and I'm in the 6th standard from West Bengal.
Just one minute. Can you turn on your camera, please?
Yes, sir. Just a minute.
It would be amazing for our YouTube audience to see there.
So
Okay.
just, the lighting is not perfect. Just a minute, please.
It's all okay. Arey yaar, Baba. Yes. Who's the other team member with Praneet? Praneet.
Yes, sir. I.
Hi, can you also turn on your camera?
Yes, sir.
You are how many years old?
12.
Whoa, amazing! This is amazing. Great. Wow, guys. Chalo, now let's present your whole project.
Thank you, sir. So we have built a website, an e-commerce website. So this is the presentation. The team's name is Let's Upgrade Hack. The leader is Vikash Kumar Chaudhary, who is not present here due to some reason, and we don't know that. The team members are me, Bishruth Pine, and Pranit De. The theme is COVID-19. And we have made a fictional company, which is COVID-19 Essentials.
Okay. Go ahead. What's the whole project all about? Showcase the project, guys, please.
Okay, sir. Just
Showcase a demo. Okay, you know that we are running out of the time. Our judges are waiting at the doorstep. It's like that. Showcase the project.
This is the home page. So, hello, Corona Warriors. Welcome to the most trusted site for essentials, COVID-19 Essentials, which is the name. So we have this is an initiative taken up by BP organization to increase awareness of maintaining safety during the period to show that India can win and India will beat coronavirus and stand up in front of the world. We have our health awareness page and also a store to buy COVID-19 essentials like face mask and PPE. Let's together break the coronavirus chain and help India stand out. This is the home page. We have the COVID-19 awareness page.
Showcase that what we say your catalog page or something like that.
Okay, sir. Here is the thing. This is the site. And just we have the symptoms like if you're feeling sick, do this. Like have paracetamol. Then having throat pain, do gargling, and then having severe throat pain, please have a health checkup. And this is the official website link. Then we have our products page.
Okay, okay. So this is yet in built right now, something like that. Okay, okay. This is loading up, right? Just go scroll down.
Yes, sir. This is our product. Welcome to. Sorry, sir.
Which standard you are in? Which standard you are in?
Sir, I'm in the 6th standard of Adamus International School.
Your friend is also in 6th standard?
Yes, in same class.
The same class. Okay, the same class students. Okay, fine. What I was doing in my 6th standard, I don't know. All other biggies who are in the hackathon right now, what we all guys were doing in our 6th standard, we all don't know. I mean, yeah, very good, amazing guys. Now, please complete your presentation. Sorry for my distractions. Yep.
Thank you, sir. Welcome to the COVID-19 Essential Products page. We have products like, we have products like sanitizers, face masks, and then PPEs, and also one newly discovered vaccine, which is called the Kill Coronavirus. And and this page is completely inspired by the HWLU page.
That's what I mean. I was like, when I was seeing the whole themes, whoa, good, yeah, amazing. So yeah, we do. I mean, like, I got it. I mean, so basically your whole product is all about e-commerce website, which is something like which is there for COVID-19, like which predicts, like which helps you, what we say, which guides you in terms of like what I should do when I get COVID-19 symptoms. And of course, I can buy all the PPE kits, masks, and different things from your website. That's what it is, guys. Yep. Anything else apart from that?
Yes, we have built an application where you can buy things.
Okay, so show me that.
Sir, hello, sir. Yes. Oh my goodness, the internet is gone. Hello, sir.
We are there. We can hear you.
Sir, it's showing no internet, sir. It's just the app is.
We can hear you.
I think we can order vaccine also by this website.
Sorry, sir.
We can order the vaccine by this website webpage if the vaccine comes.
Okay, just do one small thing, guys. What we said. Okay, 7 बज गए बाबू.
Just take minutes, sir. Pranit, please take over.
Yes. Mm. So this is our first screen of the app, and we need to continue to sign in.
Okay, go ahead.
Just go ahead. Do the sign up.
Do that. Like no timer, nothing. Go ahead. Show us our project. What you have built.
So
I want.
here we need to sign up with the email.
Just the cursor is not coming in. And the screen be seen. Okay. This is just.
And then we need to give a strong password.
But else it will say
It
that
will-
please of letters, numbers, and symbols. And just sign up. Just login. So here actually we have our wallet, which is kind of like we have some points stored in this wallet. The current points is 10,000. We can use these points to buy products here. For sanitizer, for picture is loading. Okay, buying this sanitizer, pick here, just buy this thing, number of items bought here, then back.
And if you
back here.
want to cancel, you can click the cancel button.
Yes.
Got it.
Okay, sir, and this was the thing just. So thank you, everyone. This was our idea. This is a business model we created for the companies to use. They can use this by customizing this.
Okay, so you even have a business idea with you, business model with you.
Yes, sir. That's the business model.
Okay, am I the only one who is feeling so much overwhelmed with this, or like you all guys, I mean, who are currently participating are also this? So I think that to know that shit. I'm like, okay, so amazing, guys, amazing, good work, good job, amazing, good job. I'm like literally clapping from all the teammates of LetsUpgrade. Thanks a lot for like amazing work. Despit and Praneeth, you are actually you're directly going to our judges wala round. No more questions. Just meet us by 7:30. You are there in our round. Okay. So yeah, got it. Congratulations, you're shortlisted. Finish. You're presenting to our judges. Okay. Chalo. Bye. Let's meet after 7:30. Get ready. Get your lights and all the set properly. 7:30. Meet our judges. Okay.
Proper dress.
Bye bye. So. I was like, what I was doing when I was in 6th class. I was failing. I was Hindi. I still remember that. Okay, fine. Now let's go ahead, guys. The next team is all about. Where's the next team? Okay, the next team is Hackovers. Okay, the next team is Hackovers. Okay, let's upgrade. What do you say? Hack Overflow. Hack Overflow. Who is the team? Who are the team members? Hack Overflow team members, please message us. We will take you guys in. Me and Samuel. Okay. Guru. Just make. And please finish it in 3 minutes, guys. I'm sorry for like overshooting in the previous one. So just show us your direct demonstration. Yep.
Yeah, just a minute.
Yes, just go ahead fast.
Yeah. Please don't mind if we are like taking 30 seconds around you through the slides. So we are two second-year computer science engineering students from Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. And the problem and the idea is that due to the ongoing pandemic, education and work has migrated online, and people, especially children, don't feel it interactive to learn online. So what we've done is we've made a gamified platform where it'll be just like a classroom where you can walk around, you can sit, you can write on the whiteboard, and you can do everything that you can do in the classroom. So in a nutshell, these three are the three ideas that we incorporated: interactive learning, gamified learning, and inbuilt teaching tools.
Okay.
So this is our tech stack. Maybe we can show you this. Maybe if we have time after
Yep.
showing you the demonstration. And this is our business model. One thing that I wanted to highlight about the business model is that we are planning for using razor blade business model based on subscriptions, just like Netflix.
Yep.
So we've got a defined value proposition and also revenue streams. We can explain it to you if there are questions.
This
So
good.
these are our future plans.
Okay.
So let me quickly take you through our product. So this is actually a web application. We built it with on the core of JavaScript on Express.js.
Okay.
So let me click I'm a teacher here. So it asks me for my name. So I'll just quickly give it as teacher, and it asks me for access to video and a microphone. So I'll just allow it, and I'll go to next and create a room. So a 3D virtual classroom is created here. And here, as you can see, this is the room code which is generated. So I just copy the room code and I'll go to the student section where you'll have to choose the student thing over here, and you'll have to give a name. I'll just give it as student and next, and I'll give the room code over here and I'll join the room. So as you can see, everything is built with sockets here. So the teacher is here and you can move around the place. I'll just go sit in this chair, and you can like sit in whichever chair you want and you can like listen. And now I'll go to the teacher section. As you can see, the student is sitting there, and the teacher is also provided with a dashboard where the teacher can use the whiteboard. Just a minute, I'll just yeah. So if I turn on the whiteboard, it automatically, the whiteboard also turns on for the student. So if I like write on the whiteboard, it automatically comes here. And apart from that, we've got live quizzes. So for example, let me take, this is a question, A, B, C are 3 multiple choice questions. We've got 2 options as of now. So let me add the question here. And we can also add more questions, like I'm just adding some random questions here. So I've added 2 questions and I'm sending the quiz to students, and the quizzes are sent to the students instantly. And you can like select here, and the score here is 1 out of 2. So the teacher can view the quiz scores from here. And we've also got an option for smart feedbacks. So if you send the question to the student can like give the feedbacks. And for example, I'll give bad here. So feedback is submitted, and I go to the feedback section. Just a minute, it'll take a moment to load. Yeah, so as you can see, we've also incorporated API using IBM Watson API for finding if the given feedback is constructive or destructive. So bad is obviously destructive, so it is listed under destructive statement. So we've also given a dashboard for the teacher where he can see the number of students, average score, and the positive feedback. And we've also given these options. So you can like just to demonstrate and showing that I'm not making through, can like sit anywhere you want, and you can like get up, walk. And there'll be obviously a doubt occurring in your minds. Is this a project possible in a 24-hour hackathon? So we'll justify our side that most of the models here are taken from internet, means the stock assets. I'll also share the links for those assets. As you can see, these are the 3 websites that we've referred for downloading the stock assets. So we've also, we like to give credit for all these things. So our progress is here. And one thing that I wish to show apart from this is that this is actually our code. So this is our to-do list. To show our progress, to show you what kind of progress we made to the hackathon. So you can like see what all we aimed for and what all we completed. So we've got a list of things to complete even in the coming days post the hackathon.
This is
so
question. Okay, I have this
Yeah.
small question. The Blender models which you are having, which are rendering on which platform? They are rendering on which platform currently?
We've used 3JS. Everything is built through web technologies. We've not used any game development SDKs or frameworks. Everything is built through web technologies. In our future plans, we've also got ideas to go with Unity and make a more better, efficient model. But one thing that I wish to state is that in today's edtech industry, there is no such virtual kind of classroom in the market as of now. So even if edtech startups like LetsUpgrade and startups like these incorporate this into their solution, it'll be a big boost up and it'll be great. As of now, this is only a web application, but we also look forward to make this as a Flutter application. And we were working on it. We wanted to complete it in the time, but unfortunately, we were not able to. And we've also got a list of features listed here to add up. But unfortunately, due to the time restrictions, we were made to stick into the schedule. And
Done. Good job, Guru, and what was it, Samuel? Okay, so thanks for joining in. Like, yep, now we have to pass it on to the other teams. Okay, yep, good job.
Thank you.
Very
Thanks
good
for the chance.
Very nice, very nice. Yep. So now let's go ahead and next team. The next team is, yep. Please, let's go to the next team. So the next team is DevScripts, right? The next team is DevScripts. Okay, DevScripts, I know this guy personally, but yep, now this time I don't know him personally for this presentation. So the next team is DevScripts. Oh, sorry, Data Pirates is there. Okay, Data Pirates, just 1 minute. Data Pirates, just 1 minute. Okay, Data Pirates, just 1 minute, guys. Manvita, my co-host. Okay, then Manasi, my co-host. Just finish it up, guys. ASAP, fatafat.
Data Pirates is doing it for the second time, I guess. We started off with Data Pirates.
Yes, but they have asked one more time Data Pirates, so that's where they were not having the full team members. And anyone else from Data Pirates? Aditya, ADIT. Okay, so guys, just finish it up ASAP. Next 3 minutes. Sure.
Sir, even Akshay, sir.
Yes, Akshay. Sorry.
So can we start, sir?
Just yes, you can start. You can start. Just go ahead fastly. I mean, quick.
Good evening, all. We are the team Data Pirates. We are consisting of 4 members: myself, Manvita, then Aditya, Akshay, and Mansi. And here we have built a deep learning model which detects the cancer cells in the patient slices. So it detects whether it has a IDC type of cancer or not, or any other healthy tissues. So now I request Akshay to continue.
Good evening, everyone. I will request, please allow me, Akshay and laptop to share the screen.
Yes, who is this sharing the screen right now?
Manvita, sir.
Manvita earlier sharing the screen.
Yes, she's still sharing the screen, right? I mean, like you need to, Manvita, you need to stop sharing the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yep, just go ahead, right? Fastly.
Yes. Yeah, my screen is visible now.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, we are Data Pirates. As Manvita already introduced all of us, our main objective and problem statement was predicting breast cancer only by image classification of the patients who still might not have developed any cancer tissues in breast. And we took a reference from this already published paper, which was in 2014, and they did some work, previous work. We took a lift from their work, and we also take a help from the Kaggle dataset. In the Kaggle dataset, their accuracy were on 80, 84 only. but we fine tune that that Kaggle dataset also, and we fine tune some hyperparameters. I will explain one by one. These are the anatomy of the breast cancer. I am not sticking much over it because I want to more speak our model. These are the libraries which we use, and these are the images of folders. These are the number of patients approximately who having this number of total rough images which are needed to feed in for the algorithm, so that our algorithm will get learn what are the happy and healthy patches and what are not. So these are the coding we using for feeding our algorithm. After feeding the algorithm, the next part is the EDA. Why we need EDA? Because we need to understand because the tissues in the breast may get vary by patient to patient, and every time the picture might not be capture the whole features which are required. So therefore we have to make sure how much the variance is there. And then we started looking for the healthy patches, means healthy images. We visualize these healthy patches as per you can see on the screen. And as per our input and as per the available data sets, we have to make sure that all the patches and all the images are on in the same unit, that is on only for this, so that our computational work will be lesser, because we were dealing with 3 GB data set. So after that EDA, we visualize all the breast cell cancers. These are the visualization.
Let's just directly let us move into the demo in part. I mean, like just like final meetings, something.
Yes, sir. We are moving onwards because we have to go step by step, because we have fine tuned our hyperparameters. Earlier it was only 84 for accuracy in Kaggle, but we successfully achieved by tuning hyperparameter to 94% of accuracy.
Okay, so that's what is what you have built in this whole hackathon, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, good. So that's what it is. Like yes, we have already. I have seen this whole project. That's where.
Right, sir.
Yep.
But previously I couldn't elaborate more because my audio wasn't working.
Okay, fine. So it is. I got it. I got this whole point right now. So now, as I mean, like time constraint, I would like to move on to dev scripts. I mean, you had upon it. My judges have already. I mean, now they have seen this thing, so they have just got the whole hook there from previously the Kaggle. So they have.
So just last point. I'm not taking much more time. For example, if you be making a cup of tea, and
Yep.
what exactly ratio and proportion of milk, sugar, and tea is required, and how much temperature you have to set, that makes a cup of tea will idle or close to idle. So in similar manner, we keep on hit and trial our ratio and proportion of hyperparameter, and in the end we succeedly to achieve 94%. That's all for my side, sir.
Yep. I got it. Thanks a lot.
Sir, we have uploaded the demo video on Instagram and we have tagged you, sir.
Yep. 100%. We'll be looking into that. Thanks a lot. Yep. So now let's move on to the dev scripts right now. Yeah, dev scripts. Okay. So let me just make all these guys. Okay, so dev scripts guys. Okay, Abhishek, I can see you, but apart from you, I'm not able to see other people. Who are others? Can you just please like? Hey guys, would you like to just please? Abhishek, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Yes. Would you like to just present this whole project?
Yeah. He's presenting. Vedant is presenting.
Achha, Vedant, like I need to unmute him, right?
He's yeah.
अरे मुझे नाम बताना इसमें नाम नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को एक्चुअली इसमें
KI Kings Man VK KINGS.
Okay, just got it. Okay,
Yeah.
so next anyone else? from your
No,
team?
no. He will be doing it.
Uh,
Yeah, he will be doing it.
Ankit would also be. I'll unmute him
Yeah.
too. Okay. Yeah. So I'll start just presenting my screen.
Yep. Just go ahead fast,
Yeah.
guys. Quickly.
Yeah. So it's like hello everyone. Good evening. It's like we have created a video conferencing app because of various reasons that we faced in our colleges due to in this pandemic situation. So here we are. I'm Vedant Kharna. We have Abhishek Singh and Ankit Chaudhary with us. So let's proceed.
Yep.
Yeah, so basically the objective is to create an web-based video conferencing application, which has very good points like sharing screens and files, which has functionalities of meeting and chat, and obviously video conferencing. It is very light for the system, unlike some applications that are already there. The tech stack that we have used is Node.js, Express.js, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Yep.
Then the basic working logic behind this is that we have a server, we have our systems which has a centralized to all the rooms and meetings that are to be conducted. Whenever a user creates an instance of this application, then that person gets an ID, and that person can share that ID with all of the members who wish to connect or say join the meeting. And once that is done, the connection is established, and the whole conferencing works. So the basic technical things are PRJs. So Akash, could you please explain this? Yeah.
Hello everyone, this is Ankit here. And so right now, I'm here to present PeerJS and Socket IO part. So PeerJS, what it is actually. When we come to speak about PeerJS, it is simply a library that allows us to utilize the WebRTC and its feature. Like it makes the simplicity of the WebRTC, like we can directly use the modules of WebRTC without even going to bothering about the actual complications that is behind our actual WebRTC things. So in brief, what we can say is PeerJS is a simplified library that we use to produce some quality content for video calling. And it behind the scene uses our WebRTC framework.
Okay. So this is fully using WebRTC, right? I mean, like using the help of like WebRTC. You are,
Yeah, exactly. The core is supported with WebRTC API.
Okay, so it's something like, I mean, how Zoom is currently with the help of like what we say hub and spoke model. Zoom is WebRTC, but WebRTC is optimized with the help of hub and spoke model. Something like that. Making sure. Yep.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, like let's go ahead. Can we see a kind of like demo of this whole thing?
Yes. So there are some slides remaining. So shall I go to the demo first or take the slides?
Because actually we're running out of. I'm actually messaging
Okay. So we'll proceed with the demo directly. Yeah. Yeah. So let's move to localhost.
Prasad,
Okay,
in the meantime, prepare your data. Just sorry for this. Prasad, in the meantime, please prepare your data. Yep. You just go ahead, sir.
Yes,
Go
sir.
ahead.
Yeah, so this is the key or the hash that is generated for each meeting. I can just copy paste to or send to another person, and entry of the first person gets notified. I'll mute myself. Yeah, so this is how it's working. Here we have a picture of chat. So if I just share something, that this is my first user, this is my second user. Second user has got this chat. Again, we have an added functionality of sharing files. So suppose there's something like any images. Okay, I'll go with this image. So this image is then shared in the chat section. Similarly, again, you can talk and all. So we have various features like stop and screen sharing too, which can also be done. So this is the live. At moment, this is running on localhost. Like this is an heavy application, so needs to be deployed on heavy capacity servers like AWS or GCP or Azure. So anything that you wish to see, sir, in the live?
I can.
Okay. So yes. So any doubts?
No. I mean, this is like literally cool. I'm like seeing this. I mean, how much time this took fully to build end to end?
We started it just a couple of days ago, and like we literally had to give almost our night. Even like last night, I solved this and just reached to the last clue.
Okay.
Yeah, that was really amazing part. It was real fun. Yeah.
Yep. So how you got that Ellen Reeve Musk wala thing or structured query language wala? Like, yep. Okay,
Yeah.
I got that whole thing right now. Yeah. So very good in terms of this. Now, this I mean, like purely. I mean, so how many concurrent users you can handle very easily? Because WebRTC's
Uh,
biggest problem is that it while handling the user.
Sir, I have solution for it.
Yeah.
Like currently, the basic WebRTC supports a limited amount, like our 10 user or something like that.
Yeah.
But when we'll plan in production, we have something what we say media server. We would implement media server, what Zoom or other tech players does, and
Yeah.
implementation of that media server would make it enhanced in compatibility with a lot of users. So this is the solution for that. Like WebRTC itself doesn't have any solution for it in its API, but yeah, we have solution like media server is the exact thing what will be required to scale it.
Yep. So yes, thanks a lot, like guys, for just being here. So now just we are waiting for our judges to join in. So now here goes the last team who is going to present right now. The last team is Narayana Rocks. Narayana Rocks. Okay, so who is from that team? Just please let us know. Very good presentation, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So thanks a lot for being in the hackathon. Now we
Yeah.
have.
Hello, sir. Like few more things we are adding to it. Like now there is a file sharing option in it, and
Yeah.
we are planning to make it Android app, and soon we will be launching it on the Play Store.
Wow.
And after that, we have also planned it for like Zoom provides us a recording thing. Like we can record our screen. So recording will be implemented, and many more features we are looking for it. Like
Very nice.
we
Very
want
nice.
this project like to
Don't
be
give up
like
on this project. Don't give up on.
presentable project. Yeah.
Don't give up on this. It's very good. Okay. So now, like, where's the last team, guys? Who is in Narayana Rocks? Just please tell us that one thing so that we can go ahead and start our judges presentation. Yep. Yes, sir. Praful Jha is from this. Praful, just one minute. Let me make you a co-host. Praful, I made you the co-host. Praful, please go ahead and present your idea, like project.
Hello, sir. Good evening. Sir, my name is Praful Jha, and I'm presenting my project known as COVID Protector. So, my team members are me as leader, Francis Pandey, Shani Gupta, Tanmay Tiwari, and our theme is COVID-19. Okay. So, our idea, our idea is to like in COVID-19, the let me just wait. Okay. So the problem is when we say COVID-19 and the vaccine is. Sir, can I speak in Hindi?
Yes. Go ahead fastly. मुझे बस वो like show me the demo of something. Yep. Demo is there, Praful?
Sir, I have a presentation and my project is not so much of like completed right now.
It's totally fine. Totally fine. Just tell us, brief us about in 2 minutes fastly. Like what is that you're working towards?
So जैसा कि आप सर जानते हैं कि जो COVID-19 है, this is the world's leading problem now right now, and the only way is to prevent ourselves before getting a vaccine is to like maintain social distancing and having some wearing masks and all. But the thing is, people under COVID-19 situation right now, after unlock one, they don't even follow these rules provided by the government. So like wearing mask and all and maintaining social distance. So our project is to create an app which
Yep. Which? Okay.
hello sir.
Yes.
So our project is to create an app that helps us to take precautions from this COVID pandemic. So the idea is user will add his address from home address and also on his Bluetooth. So what happens once user is reached out of the Bluetooth area from the home location, it will get the app will alerts you to wear masks and other protective things. If you already have wear it, you can skip it out. If you're not, then you can go back to home and wear it. And also, if the two users are there and having of like a Bluetooth distance, so what we will if it is if they are near in the Bluetooth distance, there are the app will alert again. So by this way, we can actually maintain the social distance very properly, and we can actually take precaution in it because we don't know when the vaccine will come, and if it comes, then it will take time to distribute all over the cities across the country. So that's what our project. But the thing is, our project is not so much built because of having lots of bugs present in Android applications. So and also we can't manage to create a database for that, and that's it.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Very good in terms of your presentation. But it would be great if you had your what we say a working model ready with you. So yep, no worries. Like let us go ahead and look into this. Okay, guys. So now as what we say. Now let's what we say like as we are nearing to the end of this whole presentations of all the teams. So very good job everyone. I mean amazing job by every one of you guys. So first of all like just let's go ahead and see that I mean whatever judges the internal judges who are like hidden somewhere here and there are selecting you all. So like in next what we say 10 minutes you will be receiving a call from our team. Okay, so they will be like, confirming your what we say shortlistment, like who are the team shortlisted, and that will be sent out to the Discord server. So every one of you, even if you are selected, not selected, please don't dishearten yourself. It's just we need to select only 5 teams. So which are the 5 teams our judges have, our internal team members have done that. So even if you're not getting selected, it is all okay. We are going to do n number of hackathons starting this hackathon. So yep. So having said and done this all, thanks a lot for like joining us for this hackathon. We are going to give everyone participation certificate with all the what we say very good. These are not the just only participation certificate. This will be more than a participation certificate in terms of like it's not only the piece of paper. Apart from that, you should be expecting something else written on that piece of paper in a different way. Okay. So yep. Thanks a lot for. It is now. Yep. Now the seventh clue is Rust of the treasure hunt. Rust. RUST. Just go and check Rust programming language. Okay. The seventh clue of the treasure hunt is Rust programming language. Yes. Just go and check this out if at all it's working. Yes or no. So yep. Bye bye guys. Thanks a lot. Yes, thanks a lot, and we will be meeting across to you guys in the Discord. Now we have to welcome all the judges in. So bye. Take care. So everyone, please exit the meeting right now. Bye. All the participants, we will call you. We'll call you. Bye. Take care. Thanks a lot for joining in. Bye. Prasad, Yashwant, Sovam, and what we say, our where is she? Join in
Sir.
back. Join in back. I'm like
Sir,
ending.